morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome back to another London session stream. I hope you guys crushed it yesterday. Hope you guys have been crushing it today. I'm glad to be back. Nick will also be joining me later, but I hate taking days off away from you guys. So it is good to be back. It is Tuesday, May 5th, second day of the week. So we only missed one day together. I mean, we can go over, I did take a trade yesterday, but we can go over that. But I cannot wait to hear about how you guys went in the charts yesterday. Whether you traded, whether you didn't, just can't wait to catch up on all of you guys. And second day of the week. There has been some volatility here already in the markets, have also been in another trade so far today. So I will also get into that. So I'm just looking forward to the stream finally starting, being able to trade together now for the next 3 hours. And as usual, Nick will be joining me later on. So let me just quickly say good morning to who's here nice and early, right on time. Good morning, 1DA. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Henry Caustic. Good morning. Good morning, Seattle. Good morning, Rusty. Good morning, Kyle. Good morning, Force. Fed. Good morning, Bush Wookie. Good morning, Forex Therapy. Albanas. Who else have we got? Aditches here. Balaji. Good morning. Oliver Initial. Maverick. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Robert. Kapashville. Amir. Petra. Lawrence. Rohan, Mario Kart King, Celine's third fave. I love that. Good morning, Namiao. Good morning, Jackalnet, Angia. All the OGs here. All right, sick. I am so looking forward to this. Now, yesterday, interestingly enough, it was a bank holiday in the UK, but we did see some movement during the London session. So I did happen to catch a trade in that. Yet it was a slow, grindy sort of trade because there was less volume, but still hit a nice 50-point trade, which I will go over after this. Let's first of all, I will go through my analysis for NQ for today, and then as usual, you guys can tell me what you guys have been trading, and then I'll also take you through my trade yesterday from that that I caught during the London session. So this is NQ as usual, guys. This is the daily, and as we can see, we did have a bearish candle close yesterday on the daily. So, I mean, I think we can expect to see a little bit of drawback now, a bit of a pullback. Can I speak today? Clearly not. A bit of a pullback now after seeing. Now this is a weekly. After seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks of straight bullishness on the NQ, just completely green weeks after green weeks on the NQ, blasting through these all-time highs, hitting record highs each week. I think we can expect some sort of pullback, right? At some point. Like, I don't want to be the one trying to short all-time highs, but at this point, I do expect to see some sort of pullback. Now, if I was to target anything based on the daily chart, I am looking at the fact that we have this bullish gap now on the NQ. I do like to use the gaps on the daily chart as overall draws. So this could be a nice area to short into. Then I would expect that area, the 50% of that bullish gap, to hold, to remain bullish, to respect price action and remain bullish and continue to the upside. Wouldn't expect us to get all the way down to this swing low. I think we've shown a lot of strength after having that bearish close on Tuesday last week. And yeah, I just think May has kicked off quite strong here, and I think we're just going to continue to soar. But expecting some sort of a pullback now, potentially into that area, but we will see. Not married to any sort of bias. I'm definitely still 100% bullish overall, but when I talk about taking shorts, those are areas that I potentially could be shorting into. But high time frame, weekly, everything considered, we are very much going for new all-time highs again. So previous day high is also the newest all-time high, sitting at 27,965.75. That is the current all-time high, also the high from Sunday. So yes, that is something to consider if you guys are in longs. That is the all-time high. We also have previous day low sitting at 27,613. So currently inside the range of that daily candle there. So nothing has been swept to the upside or downside of that previous day's candle so far. In terms of my bias, though, for this session, we have had a sweep of, now Frankfurt is open, and we have had a sweep of the previous 4-hour high. So I'm bearish biased in this session today. I want to see a short, and I want to see a short into the range that Asia has left behind. So Asia high has been swept. That is my Asia kill zone high. That level is 27,848.50. So we did get a sweep of that. We've also just had a nice sweep of that previous 4-hour high and are currently aligned with the previous 15-minute high sweep. So I should be currently looking at the 1 minute. There you go. If we do invert, this would be a clean short for me to take. Actually, this is very soon. Let me just... Should I wait, chat, or do we just enter? I do like this, but 5 minutes into the open, I am a little bit concerned. But we're going to take it. I'm going to wait for this candle to close. I like that we've already swept and there is momentum already. So I'm in that short. And I'm going to have stops just above this high. All right, there you go. I honestly did not expect to be in a short so soon after starting the stream, but here you go. Here we go. Currently in a short, expecting a potential pullback into Asia's range here. I'm just going to get my orders in place here. Going to take half off at this 1-to-1. That'll be around 29 points. 27,815 is that level. Bear with me, chat. Bear with me. And then I will check the chat and you guys can let me know if you guys are in trades. Also, if any of you are in longs, please let me know. Would love to know that. And then I guess I'm just going to target that previous 4-hour low for that full distance. I don't expect, if I am, now that I am in these shorts, I'm not expecting that to be such a strong pullback. So targeting that previous 4-hour low is enough for me. That level is 801. All right, that's a trade. Trade is on. We let it roll. I am playing with profits here. I did take a trade earlier on in the, just prior to getting in here for the Frankfurt Open. I will quickly go through that actually, chat, firstly, because I know a lot of you will have questions about these order executions. So this was the trade I took earlier. If I just go quickly into replay mode here, you will see exactly why I took this trade based on my model. So what we had was a sweep of Asia high. Why is that not showing? All right. So sweep of Asia high and then also align with the sweep of previous 4-hour high and sweep of previous 15-minute high at the same time. Once I had that inversion on the 1 minute, I was in at market at that candle close. I did have my stop just a bit above this high, was roughly around 20 points. And then I targeted the same target I actually have right now. It's this week. It's also that previous 4-hour low. And yep, I took partials off at the 1-to-1, which was around this level here, 27,820 around. And then I ended up getting stopped break even on the rest. So that was that trade. Happy to take profit out there. And that is the thing about that 1-to-1 system that's really been helping me lately, like taking some profits off, not taking it all, and then letting it the rest run and going break even there. Because some days price does want to run. Just going to go back to my current trade. Some days price does want to run and I don't want to miss out on that. But definitely don't want to just be not taking anything off the table when it does run, 20 points in my favor. So that's where I've been implementing the 1-to-1 take profit system, but also going to break even, letting the rest run. It has been working out really nicely for me. So yes, that is the trade I took. This is the trade I'm in right now. Both trades follow the model exactly. The only thing I don't have is like a tap into a higher time frame FVG. So if I did have like a tap into a 4-hour bearish gap, that would have been a cleaner A+ setup for me, but I still like it. And I do like the reaction that we had at the Frankfurt Open with this strong sell-off week that we left behind here. So it looks good. It looks good. Let's just let price do its thing. Not going to get involved. Orders are in. Now we wait. So chat, how are we doing? Let me get to... Guys, let me know if you're already in trades, by the way, because... I mean, I entered this like 5 minutes into the stream, so this is early for me, but let's go. Who's running the shorts? Good morning, good morning. Morning, Sriluki. Lunch today, I had a bit of roast chicken and sweet potato. Good morning, MNQs. Good morning, AB Trades. All right, Trader D's is already short, small size. What account are you using? This is 150K growth. Seattle Selena took a payout today. Let's freaking go, Seattle. That's what I want to hear. Guys, who else took payouts yesterday, today? We need to hear it. We need to celebrate you on stream. Please let me know. Andre, okay, now the real question, are you full-time pianist, part-time trader, Celine? Wait, Andre, you must have seen my story. Okay, I have to admit, I'm not a full-time pianist, but I did play piano like my entire life growing up. And being back in Melbourne, it's been good because I'm staying at my mom's and my piano is still here and I haven't had a piano. Like the entire time I lived in Bali, I had no piano. So it's good being back, being able to play piano. So yeah, but not full-time, nothing like that, just for fun. Southern boy in shorts. All right, let's go. Let's go. Force effort. Damn, that bounce took me out for a tiny profit. All right, love that you guys took a little bit of profit there. I'm still in this trade. Orders are still in as they were, not micromanaging anything here. If this trade wants to run and stop me out, I accept the risk. That's what orders are there to do. And yeah, there is nothing else. Now we wait. Raymond says, I think they want to know the like or to unlock Nick the Kick. Nick the Kick? That's a new one. Raymond, please explain. Was this a New York stream thing? Because I totally missed this, Nick the Kick, but we can run with it. All right, so what did we say? I'm going to say 425 likes. That's like a big goal, but it's Tuesday and we missed a stream together yesterday, so I'm just going to say it. 425 is the like count goal. If you get there, we will do a giveaway. I will bring on Nick and, you know, it'll be Nick and I for the next 2 hours after that. But unless you don't, then Nick will stay locked up as usual and no giveaway. So you guys decide. The fate is in your hands. 425 likes though, chat. You guys can do it. All right, let's see. Are the shorts going to follow through for me today? Yes, Roman, we have to jam on the stream together one day for sure. Tradeify band. Morning, G for Geo. Unleash the Nick. Justice for Hannah. We are building a Tradeify band. Oh, Marcos, you keep changing your name. I can't keep up. But anyway, he says, we are building a Tradeify band here. Starting Roman for guitar, Selena on piano, Leia and Miriam on vocals. Hell yeah. Guys, we need to make this happen. Andreas says take Spud too. He also plays piano. He does play piano. That is true. 1DA missed the entry, it seems, FML. 1DA, there is nothing you can do. If you missed your entry, it is what it is. Don't be FOMO entering into anything. Missing, sometimes, not going to lie, missing the entry has worked out in my favor because the trade ends up losing. Not going to lie. But, I mean, don't beat yourself down about it. It is what it is. Where is Nick? Nick will be joining me at the usual 8 a.m. UK London session open, guys. He will be here. It is the usual London session gang today. No surprise guest, sadly, but it was so fun having Leia on. Leia, are you in the chat? Honestly, that stream was so much fun. Towards the end of it, not gonna lie, I had like the worst migraine from my lights here by the end of Friday's stream. I don't know if you guys could tell, but you know, I don't know if you guys get those crazy migraines, but like my eyes were almost going blurry, like trying to read the chat and the bright lights. So hopefully I'm all good today. But yeah, no, Friday was so much fun. I hope you're in the chat, Leia. London Zeppelin. But how are we doing? Did anyone take trades yesterday? Maybe while this trade is sort of just sitting around break even, I can take you through what I traded yesterday. Monday was a bit of a strange session. Obviously, yes, we did have the UK bank holiday, so we sort of did chop around. Where are we? Lol, look at that volume that came in at like 6 a.m. This was the buy around, hold on, where are we? Okay, this was the buys. I took this trade. You can go and see the entries and executions on my Twitter. I did post that, but pretty much this previous 15-minute low didn't get swept on NQ. So for me, that was an SMT. I will bring ES up at the same time so you can see that. Hold on. Whoa. You guys can clearly see how bad I am at working with TradingView here. Hold on. All right. We're going to go back to yesterday around 2:45. Is this it? Is this it? Chat, help. Why am I so slow? Okay, here we go. All right, so signal for me to enter this was, I liked the reaction at this low here. ES did sweep out that previous 15-minute low and ES didn't, and it had a strong bullish reaction off that. So I took the inversion, which was the FV inversion of the 1 minute FVG here. Tiny, you can see it if I zoom in a bit better, but there was a gap there. And when we had that FVG, that inversion confirmed at 249, I entered at market. Yeah, it dropped into a little bit of drawdown there, but I had my stops just below that low, and then I was just targeting a 1-to-1, took some partials, and then just targeted a bit below this wick here. And it ended up being a very nice long because we hit roughly like 55 points on that. But the take profit couldn't have been cleaner because we completely reversed off that. So I'm glad I played my system and had the orders in. So this was the trade. And then pretty much when it wicked out my TP. Oh, well, TP must have been a little lower. TP was pretty much somewhere around this wick, if I do remember correctly. And then we just fell. So it was a good profit taking, spot there because we pretty much reversed up that. But anyway, that was yesterday's trade. Today's a new day. Dropping into a bit of profit here. What did I miss? Let's go. NQ, bring us the banger trades already. We love that. Justice for Hannah, Selena told you YouTube didn't let me change my name back for 14 days. Joke's on me. I want my name back. Lol, Marcos, joke is absolutely on you there. You did that to yourself. I'm not even, I'm laughing, but I feel bad. But yeah, that's hilarious. Because you tried to troll me and you trolled yourself. All right, so black interval targeting 790 for my short. Is that realistic? I mean, when it comes to being realistic, anything really goes. In terms of levels to the downside that you could be targeting, we have the Asia range here that definitely is a solid. Look, I'm going to just measure this from Asia low to high. That range there is around 100 points. So I think definitely you could be targeting something like daily open, even 759 or Asia low. And we see from time to time, London session does provide the reversal to sweep out Asia low and then ends up pumping, come into New York session. So something realistic that you definitely could target. Yep, 790, absolutely. But even lower if you guys really wanted to hold your trades. But I'm just looking to get in and out of this one because I am so strongly bullish biased on the higher time frame. Doesn't mean it can't drop down there. That's just my the area I want to take profit in. I took short in London yesterday. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Shorts were also clean in that London session yesterday. Oh, begun. Okay, so the like target today, if you're just joining, it's 425 likes, all right? It is big, but we missed a session together yesterday, so I am putting it up there. 425 likes. We will unlock Nick. We'll do a giveaway. We'll do all the good stuff, but just get the likes up. Hell yeah. Some of you guys are already hitting TP on those shorts. Nice. My TP is a little lower there. Let's just make sure I mark that up correctly. Sometimes I don't. Yeah. All right. So my levels are in. We'll see if NQ wants to play nice or not. 1DA, I'm not going to tilt and stick to my plan. That's it. That's the type of discipline you need. Not going to tilt, just going to stick to the plan. Whatever happens, happens. Mario Kart King, Celine's third fave. Hold on, who is that? I thought that was Marcus. Wait, now I need to go to this channel and find out who that is. Oh, Brandon. Oh my gosh. I get Marcus and Brandon. I get you guys confused all the time because their usernames always change. But so you got your free count from Friday and you only need $7.97 to pass it? Hell yeah. You're so close. Cameron says, yeah, I took profits at 25, well, 26. All right, let's go. Come on. Guys, have faith in this. I need NQ to drop just a little bit more. Once it hits that 816 level, just below this swing low, I am going break even on this. I don't want to be stuck in a range right now. Marco King, always I change it once. I don't know, Brandon. You guys, if not you, someone else is changing their username in here to troll. So, no, not technically you, but the chat as a whole, people change their names in here. It's hard to keep up. But who else is in trades? Chat, who is fading me right now? All right, show yourselves. And how was everyone's London session yesterday? Did anyone catch trades? How was everyone's weekend? We pretty much, I mean, last time I spoke to you guys was Friday, so it's been a while. Marcus, I did not make you change your name. Alan's in a trade. All right, Alan, up or down? Tara, I'm with you, AI. Yes, Brandon. Yes, that is a great question. Brandon says, do you want me to use Cooper Trooper to beat Nick on Friday? And the answer is always yes. Cooper Trooper will always win. Okay? Ozempic knows if he's here. Ozempic, you know, Cooper Trooper is the one. Cameron, I really do. Cameron says, Celine, you need a spreadsheet to keep track of the name changes. I seriously do. It's not fair. You guys are always changing. Rob says, I caught a short yesterday. Then after Killzone ended, I closed it manually. And then it dropped like a stone 1 hour afterwards. That hurts. But Rob, honestly, that has happened to me too many times. I just am so numb to that. Like taking profit and then seeing it like shoot up or shoot down, whichever way. Like it happens. But I mean, you followed your system. You took your profits and then it is what it is. Andrea, don't even think about it. Like I've been streaming now with you guys for a few months and I pretty much know you all either by your profile pictures or your usernames. Like I know I have a face in my mind. I know you guys. So if you come back tomorrow with different usernames, it's just going to ruin it. Then I'm just going to have to learn your names all over again. You know, it took me months to get to this place, Andrea. I'm terrible with names. Rios, I keep refreshing the page looking for your tutorial that you were going to post since last Thursday. Oh, no. Rios, I have to apologize. That video has not been filmed yet. I have nothing to say on that. I have not had time to get around to it. But Rios, you will be the first to get that video. I promise you that. You know what? Send me an Instagram DM and I will make sure that when that video is filmed, I will send it personally to you. The strategy video you were asking about, I will definitely get that to you. My bad. Yeah. It's been so crazy busy. You guys would have no idea. Moving countries, it's a lot. And I have to do it all again in a month. So that's fun. Ash, okay, yes. Any giveaway? I'm sorry, your username is way too long to read that out loud. But yes, of course, a giveaway today. A giveaway every day on the Tradeify TV streams. All you have to do is like this stream, guys. Get us to 425 likes in the next hour before Nick gets here. And I'll do a giveaway. And it's as easy as that. All right, NQ coming in hot. Let's go, NQ. 816 is a level I need to see taken before I go break even. But I like it. And keep playing nice. Pam, because your name is the easiest. She says, you've been struggling with names except for mine, Leia, and Chicken. Literally. Oh, some of you guys, I don't know if you do it on purpose, but your usernames are that hard to pronounce. I will sometimes just go for the first 3 letters because that's all I can read out. Capashful, did you get your gelato ice cream or the dude is still taking you around? Capashful, that is a good question. Where's Pivex? I still haven't got my ice cream voucher, okay? I need that. I need my gelati voucher. He promised me. Tara says if Nick wins this week, Mario, I have to change my name to Ill White Chart to make sure he loses. Ill White Charts, Tara? Really? I mean, I'm not going to say anything to that because I love my white charts. I can't trade anything other than white charts. It's the way I've always been on them from the beginning. I've never traded on the dark charts. I don't know, something about it stresses me out. It's the same on my Tradeify is also set up with white charts. I know. My Tradeify dashboard is in light mode. Like everything is white. But that's also probably why I got that migraine on Friday. I probably did that to myself because it's just too bright sometimes. But I can't help it. Edge Avatar, the biggest European session stream for a reason. Hell yeah. Guys, I appreciate you all being here. I mean, hopefully we take this. This was an early trade for me to be on, I'll be honest. I was in that 5 minutes into the Frankfurt Open. Not always trading so early on the stream. But I love that. I love that we get to have this first hour together and hopefully catch a banger. And then we get to chill in the London session and then just, you know, talk shit with Nick for 2 hours. Let's see how many of you are here. Let's see if that like count, that like goal is even achievable. Lol. I made it 400. Oh, yeah. Guys, easily. There are over 400 of you here right now. Okay. So 425 is not a hard like goal at all. You guys will do that easy. Oh no, Celine. Yeah, but you always call Lawrence when my name is Laurencia. No, I'm so sorry, Laurencia. I will never forget that though now. Laurencia, that's a pretty name. I'm so sorry that I destroyed that by calling you Lawrence. I will never do that again. It's because I read the names sometimes so quickly. I just don't even give it a second. And I read like Laurent and then I just finish it off with the ends. But that's totally my bad. My bad. Now, you just look here, NQ. Look at... I swear if we just made equal lows here. Oh, we swept that low by like a tick. Anyway, plan was to go break even if we took that TP off, which we haven't. So full risk is still there. I'm just checking ES to see if we swept that level. Okay, no. Previous 4 hour low still intact on ES. But definitely had way more of a drop on ES here. ES is the weaker one so far. But let's see. Amia, you get it. Amia says, I'm with you. I have white charts too. 100%. If you're trading dark charts, I don't trust you. Black Interval just answered that. So I'm moving break even when I hit TP1. And until then, full risk is still on. Morning, Hikik Omori. Hey, Adam. I can't do a poll, Bushwookie. I don't have the powers to do that. I'm not sure if Roman does, but I definitely can't do a poll, sadly. It's Abby. It's not that bad. Trading white charts is like pouring milk in your bowl before cereal. Milk in your bowl before cereal should be criminal. That is bad. I can't even... No. No. If you're doing that, I can't trust you. That's just crazy. Robert says that sounds Harry Potter-ish, Master of the Dark Charts. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. That's actually epic. I didn't even realize I said that. Damn, Adam, I'm the complete opposite there. Can't do white charts or white screen and everything dark mode. No, I'm everything light mode, light and bright. How did you set 2 TPs on TradingView? I am trading these accounts with Tradeify. So I have set the TP levels in Tradeify and it just copies to TradingView. Auto ban for these serial heretics, right? Mikey, spot on. Guys, come out of here. If you're putting milk before cereal, please show yourself, and that's got to be like at least a 10-second ban. Earn said, hi Celine, if you're trading 50k eval account, how much do you usually risk? On an eval with the 50k, I technically do trade it very big size, like more than I probably should. But that's because I'm trying to pass the eval quickly. So I usually max contracts. But if I'm not, like sometimes I am just following these evals with funded accounts, then I'm trading like 1 mini sometimes, which is still heavy, I know. But it's an eval account. If it was a funded account, I'm trading only $300 there, risking 300 with a profit target of 3,000. Oh, Joanna says, Celine, just wanted to say thank you for the free 50k growth account I won last week. IMG Wiz. Hell yeah. I love that. Did you also change your username? What is with you guys changing your usernames? How do you set the TP on Tradeify? Okay. Let me just get the Tradeify up here. Let's bring this over. Here is a quick Tradeify demonstration. So once you have your orders in, the same way that you click to sell or buy, like to set your orders, it's the exact same thing you do to set your TP. So in this instance, because I'm in a sell, I have the buy limits. You literally just click buy, and then yeah, you adjust the amount of contracts you want to, if you want to buy 4, you want to buy 2, it depends, up to you. And that's it. It's the exact same way you place your orders. You just what is it, left click, and then you can adjust it on the chart just by dragging it up and down. I eat cereal with water. Shut up. Constantine, that is a complete troll at Rage Bait. There is just no way. Also, can we talk about how NQ has just completely reversed that? I came to... that low was 27,818. TP was sitting at 816, so literally 2 points away there. I love that. I love when NQ wants to do me dirty like that. That is almost the Nicholas Wickler stream in there. That's absolutely wild. I think if I put the position tool, it'll make it even worse. Here we go. Look at that. Ugh. How disgusting. Back at break even now. But I accept if this is going to run and take me out, then you know what? The trade was just not good enough. It needs to be running to at least 1 hour before I go break even. Now, in this case, the 15-minute literally has little to no bottom wick there, so I don't hate it. I think this is just a bit of a pullback here, but I still think we can drop lower, considering that yeah, that 15-minute candle has like barely any bottom wick. It should start to drop, flip bearish, and make that bottom wick. Hopefully tagging my TP first. But there we go. We are officially back break even. Yos NW. So if in sales, the TP should be set with buy limits, right? Yes. Yeah, 100%. So to get out of your short, you need to be buying. To get out of your buy, you need to be selling. That's how the exchange works. Oh, there is some volume. Not in the direction we want. This is going to be a wild screenshot to post because we came just so close to that first TP there. Oh boy. ES bounce from VWAP. Okay, interesting. I don't use VWAP when I trade, but good to know. Max pain, Celine. No, for real. Show me more pain than this. This is pain. It hurts. Roman says, I think we need more likes to unlock Nictator. All right. Well, let's have a look. What are we at, Roman? I told them 425. Are we even close to that? Are we even close? Sadly, we're not. And there is like 500 of you watching right now and only 189 likes. I mean, I've liked the stream. All you have to do, go and smash the like button. That's literally all you have to do. We will do a giveaway. I will also be bringing Nick on. And that's that. Why are my executions not on here? Strange. Tom Raider says, I closed my trade right before the reverse. Guys, that is Tell me if you guys already hit TP on those shorts, because you obviously killed it. Fire trade. I, on the other hand, did not. But sticking to my rules here, sticking to my limits. NQ wants to buy right back up. That's fine. Go ahead, NQ. You do you. Can't get involved here. It's annoying. Like, there is nothing worse than missing TP by those 2 points, but it happens, guys. It really does happen. Real traders don't use TP. They just hit reverse all day. For real. I'm doing the wrong thing here. Morning, Tim. Honestly, Tim, you didn't miss much. I mean, I am in a trade. Guys who were just joining, I missed that by 2 points, that TP. And now I'm sitting in drawdown right now. I think you just completely brought that right back up, which we love. Not the reaction I thought we'd have. 15-minute candle right now with like no bottom wick. Like a tiny little one, but really nothing at all. So we'll see if I can survive. Stop is at 75. Let's see, NQ. What do you want to do? Nice. 2+ backwards. Took partial on the funded and BE on evals. Let's go. So he'll booked at the sweep. Let's go. Undefined, hit first TP, then break even. I love that. I love that you guys have different rules and you stick to it no matter what I am doing. You guys need to be sticking to your rules, how you trade. That's most important here. This is not a signal service, and if you get your own setups, you should be taking them. If we happen to be in the same trades, amazing. But at the end of the day, everyone needs to be trading their own system their way. Jack says it should go down. Oh, I hope so, Jack. Why don't you set BE when you cross previous swing point? My break-even system is based on the profit taking. So if I haven't been able to run to a 1R target, like that is completely like what is 1R? That's going to change every single trade because it depends on what size my stop loss is. But the rule that I have made and the way I've been trading my model recently is to just only go break even if it goes 1R. If it hasn't made that run, then sometimes it can come back, tap, retrace back into my entry and then run, which I've hated seeing in my journaling, just seeing like where I could have taken more profits if I hadn't gone break even so early. So I've started to only do it if I do take profits off the table, just based on what I was seeing in my own trading. Yoni fans, I entered the short with you. All right. I mean, if it's your setup, if it's the way you like to trade. Drops trades, it's 1:30 in the morning here. You guys are crazy. I mean, I appreciate you, Gramps. I appreciate you, but that is a crazy hour to be up. I know me, I can barely stay awake for the New York session these days. Hermes, good morning. Celine and W chat. Good morning, good morning. Who is ready? I am so excited London session is back. Having the day away from stream yesterday was actually like so weird for me. I was like, oh, what do I do now? Like, I'm not streaming, but I was at the charts, of course. Can never take away from it. Can never take a day off charts. I didn't expect much to happen, but in the end, it did make a move. Mahit says, hello, I'm new in futures trading. Can you guide me? Which is a better eval for me? Mahit, I would recommend the growth accounts with Tradeify. I love them. I have traded them for the longest time now, and I just think they're the best. We also have the select accounts as well if you're looking for that daily payout. But if you're new, I would just recommend going straight into the growth accounts. We do have 40% off, guys. Yes, I know. Exciting. If you use code of May, you will get 40% off as well. So that goes to all of you who want to load up accounts this month. Make sure you do and use code May. Team says ES took out the high and is reversing. Hopefully NQ will follow down. All right, let's have a look. What did ES do? Oh, wow. That is an SMT there right now. Not sure what created that big wick on ES, but we didn't have that reaction on NQ. So there is an SMT there at the moment. Doesn't mean NQ has to drop, but it is potentially a sign that we will when there's divergence like this. So that is in our favor. But again, anything can happen. I accept the risk. 230 here, Southern Boy. Crazy. Bushwi, I entered the trade just for the sake of being invested in the outcome, but unbeknownst to me at the time, it was within my rules. Lol. That's amazing. That's actually funny. At least it's within your rules. So if you do take an L, you know, you're not going to be angry at yourself because you followed your rules. So early in the morning to get edged. No, for real. Look at that. Dirty NQ. Absolute disgusting. Fractal firm, it's always a good idea to have multiple confluences before entering. For example, if your astrologer says it is auspicious and the moon is waxing, only then do you buy. No, that is insane. Anyone using astrology to enter the markets? That is crazy. Lol. I would not be surprised if people use weird things like that. Drops Home said, or Drops Trades, you change your name again. I need some evals. I only have fundeds right now. That's not a bad problem to have. But yes, go and load up evals, because the best thing is you can just pass them and have them sitting there waiting. Wicksweeper says ES has that weird week. MES doesn't. Crazy. Yeah, ES, it goes the same. NQ and MNQ, ES and MES don't always move the same. I always find that a bit sus when like one will sweep the high and one doesn't. But I just prefer to chart up on NQ and ES no matter whether I'm trading micros or minis. That's more to do with the fact that I backtested on NQ. So charting off like MNQ wouldn't really make sense. Because sometimes, yes, their levels and movements are different. Mario Kart. Well, Brandon says Mercury in the microwave or something. Something like that. Alan, Celine, from where are you trading from the UK? I'm trading from Australia right now, from Melbourne, Australia. For the next few weeks, I'm here. Lol, Fractal Firm, lol, I was joking, but there is a real popular trading strategy that uses moon cycles. No way. Wait, for real? I just don't believe it, but I also know people are crazy and probably would do that. But tell me, is that actually a real story? Yost and W, do you care about SMTs? I don't care so much. Like, they're not a reason for me to enter trades, but if they're there, yes, they help to as a confluence, but they're not a reason. They don't need to be there for me to enter my position. And yeah, it's more of a confluence. This is actually crazy. So from 2 points away from profit there, we are now about to be stopped on this trade. Full stop is 30 points. That hurts, but I followed my rules. I hope you guys did too. If this is about to stop us out, I accepted that. I did. So it is what it is, guys. I do have my stop just above that high because I have been burnt by what's that high? The high is 73.50. My stop loss is 2 points above that. Just in case it wants to sweep. I'm going to actually move it to 77. I'm going to go 4 points, whatever. Just in case we get a strong wick there. It wants to sweep me out and then drop, as we've seen that happen multiple times before. This is eval. Bogdan, are you fuming, Celine? I would be. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this, like... You can't tell me that this doesn't affect you. Like, I know I talk a lot about like just not being emotional, trading the system, trading the plan, and so then you can't be affected. But like, low key, like you can't ignore the fact that NQ just missed that TP by 2 points. Like, that freaking hurts. But it is what it is. At the same time, like, it hurts for like an instant. I feel the pain, and then I'm like, hold on. But I said that that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to go break even only if it hit TP1. And so I followed my rules. So there is nothing I can do now. There is no point being annoyed about it. There is no point being upset. It's frustrating, but it only hurts for like a few seconds. And then I'm like, okay, whatever. There'll be another trade. But that took me a while to get to that point. The old me would have been like fuming, probably not even like able to look at this trade right now. That is some wild price action. Hey, Leia's in the chat. Like, tune in today, Leia. But good to see you. Friday was so much fun. I hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good weekend. Well, this reversed due to Swiss CPI. Let's blame Nick when he comes back. That is a great idea. Swiss CPI, I'm going to anything to blame Nick. I'm down. Hastily, when I need $200 to $300 to pass my account, I blow my account. Help with the approach. Sahil, that is honestly a common occurrence with most people when they're close to passing the account. And I think the main part of it is we all know is that it's just because you're close. You feel so close that you just want to, trade the rest of your account just to get past. But that's when most people are blowing their accounts right at the end. So I highly suggest not changing anything about your trading, getting out of the headspace that, it's only $200, $300 because you end up taking trades that just aren't valid or you end up sizing up wrong. Just only trade your plan. Don't change anything. You did all the work to get there. You got to think about what would hurt more, like losing that whole account. Sometimes, I don't know, you just have to really think about it. You got to think about it. You've done all the work to get there. There is no point losing all that progress in a trade. So yeah, definitely even size down if you know you're going to end up FOMO trading into something. At least trade micros. You're just almost there. Joker, chicken's in the chat. Oops. Morning, chicken. Hi, Celine. You look beautiful today. Greetings from Thessaloniki. Oh, you're in Greece. How is Thessaloniki? I'll be there in a month, chicken. Leia says, I did. I'm very excited. I won another giveaway yesterday. 50K Lightning account, baby. Let's go, Leia. That's awesome. Guys, if you didn't hear, on Friday, Leia told us that she won 15 accounts, I think, last year in giveaways. So for all of you who say our giveaways are rigged, there you go. You can absolutely win giveaways. Today in the giveaway, do that gamble thing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Aditya, I've got to leave that up to the giveaway king. All right, that is Nick, because he's the one with the spin the wheel abilities. But yes, 100%. I'm always down for the gamble. 28 degrees right now. Oh, so good. I cannot wait to be there, chicken. Honestly. Right now, like 15 degrees around that in Melbourne because we're getting into winter. So it is starting to get cold and I'm already over it. But can't wait for 28 degrees. I cannot wait. Flying back to Zurich today. Oh, have a safe flight. You went there. Were you there long? Fractal Fam, I once blew an eval when I was $50 away from passing. And that was one of the worst ever days. Now my policy is to stop checking when I get within 1,000 of a pass or payout. Yeah, Fractal Fam, I think that is such a good point there. Like actually just getting the numbers out of your head even, because I think part of the problem is knowing that you're $200 away some of the time, or in your case it was $50. Like it just gets to your head because you know you're so close. So 100% get that out of your mind. Capash, you got your account yesterday. Amazing. Guys, get those accounts to a payout. There is nothing better than winning a free account, getting a payout. Like it's literally free money. Yeah, but Leia is the favorite. Amir, Leia didn't win unjust. She actually won fair and square. She won accounts. She won 15 of them. Hell yeah. Tara, in the Lightning account, no, you're instantly funded. You just have to hit a target in order to receive a payout, but there is no such thing as eval stage in the Lightning funded. That's the beauty of it. Naveen says Melbourne is always winters. I was there in December and I had to wear really warm jackets. No, for real, that is when it should be warm. Like December is our summer, and the fact of the matter is, most of the time, it's not a real summer. We end up in jackets, so I get that. TRJ's near London Open, no hope to come back. Yeah, look, it's not looking nice. It doesn't look like NQ wants to come back and drop all the way down to my TP. So I've accepted it though, chat. You know what? I am hereby accepting the L live on stream with you guys. Vietnam Shell Sharks, I thought you could only have 5 accounts. You can only have 5 fundeds at once. Absolutely. Also, I won 15 in 2025, not all on TTV. Yeah, exactly, guys. Exactly. That is true. Leia did not win them all on TTV, but it just goes to show that some of them she did win multiple accounts. So if you guys just keep participating in the giveaways, and you're bound to win at some point. Now, I'm going to check the like count goal while NQ is doing me dirty here. What do we need? We need 425 likes. There are over 500 of you watching right now and only 250 likes. There is the pop that we didn't want. Sadly, that is a L on the day. Second trade of the day, 1-1, second loss, and that is all. Follow the system. As dirty as NQ wanted to play me there, guys. That it is. That is trading, honestly. 2 points away there from TP. Ran into some significant profit within a few minutes and then just bought all the way back up. So it is what it is. You just got to play your system. You got to know your strategy, the way you trade. You got to just follow that, and then you can't be so down about it afterwards. But if there's a lesson in any of that, it's just that stick to your plan. And also take profit 2 points earlier. Maybe that would have helped. Oh, chat. What a way to begin the first hour of the London session. What did 816 represent? Half target. Cameron, the 816 was my 1-to-1. So yes, probably the structure there should have probably been the target based on that. But anywho, it doesn't matter. Target was just a strict 1-to-1 on that. And I didn't consider the structure here that low or anything because this is a 1-minute chart. And there was not much significance of that low, but we technically did come down and sweep it and then just completely reverse off there. Not what I was expecting, but it is what it is. I had a stop loss. This is why we have a stop loss in, so at least our losses are a little bit more controlled. That was taken on evals as well, so I'm not so hard done about it. But it is what it is, right, chat? We could potentially get another trade in here anyway, so I'm just keeping an eye out. I'm keeping an eye out, not FOMO entering anything. Waiting for the setup, and that's it. Cal, wait, you can only have 5 funded accounts. I already have 3, so I can only pass. Yep, correct. Cal, you can only have 5 fundeds. Max funding is 5 150k accounts. What are the indicators on the charts? Indicators are 2. I use a session and key levels indicator that I know a lot of you ask about. So it's this one built by Script Edge. And then I also use one that I had built personally by a Prime Script developer that just signals the sort of trades that I like to take. Just also highlights like the levels I look for to get swept, and it tracks inversions for me. It just really visualizes my trading. Split striker sling would be interesting to backtest going to break even on the 07R with your system. Probably. Never done that before, but yes, any data is good data. Split strike, if you want to go ahead and backtest that, let me know how it goes. Selena at the moon phase indicator, legit. Fractal firm, legit. Guys, I got it all wrong. I'm not trading with the moon cycle, and that's probably why that just came and took me out. You guys are funny. All right, I need to quickly. it is not long before 8 a.m. UK, which means the Nictator will be joining us very shortly. And in order to do that, we need way more likes. I said 425 likes. There are over 500 of you. Literally, if everyone goes and likes it right now, we'll be fine. We'll get there. But it's not, we don't have long. I want to do a giveaway as soon as Nick gets here. So if we don't smash that like button, unfortunately, we can't do the giveaway. And you only have a few more minutes. So we're right now sitting at 270. We need 425, like I said, and then we'll do a giveaway. Switch track house, backtest moon cycle strat too, no problem. Sick. Let me know how that moon cycle strategy goes too. Jonathan says I might change my trading strategy when it's sunny here in England. I go short. When it rains, I go long. Okay, for real. Someone needs to go back test like trading with weather. When the sun's out, it's one thing, and when it's raining, it's another. I like that. Mia, Selena got lucky, took the L with you. I thought my accounts were my 5 accounts were connected, but just opened trade secure. They weren't. W for you, Mia. W, honestly. Does 5 max funded account apply to 50k also? Yes, 5 funded accounts at most. Doesn't matter what size they are. But max allocated funding that you can have with Tradeify is the 5 150k accounts funded. Max allo. All right, chat. Who is in trades? Who took longs? Who faded me? I know some of you took profit at this low. Very nice, because that ended up being their reversal point here. NQ continuing to just rally here right now. Not seeing any sign of weakness after that little drop that we had from the Frankfurt Open, but I'm still interested to see if we can pull back deeper than that, unless if it just wants to run right now. Honestly, this high would be another level to take out, and then honestly beyond that high is 27,941, this hourly swing point. But then beyond that, I'm looking at previous day high to the upside. So let's see with the 4 hour is looking like it has created its bottom wick now. So although my system is generally to sweep that previous 4 hour candle and then reverse, it looks like we kind of already had that reaction, and now we have that bottom wick. We seem to be now pumping from there. So if I do take another short, I will probably size down. It doesn't look so clean, but guys, we are so close. I have already been joined by the Nictator. He's on time today, chat. He's on time. Sorry, he's been in the back. This is probably the last 5 minutes. I had no idea. All right, let's have a quick check on the likes, because the Nictator has joined us and we want to bring him on. Good morning, sexy London chat. All right, I said 425 likes, Nick, and they are sitting at right now 297. We are nowhere near that like goal, chat. Exactly what Nick's face is doing in the background right now. 425 likes. I didn't think it was that hard. There are over 500 of you guys. Seriously, you just need to go ahead and do one thing. Like the freaking stream. I'll bring Nick on. We'll do a giveaway. It'll be all sweet. You know, chat. We don't make it that hard. All of you who complain about, not winning accounts, here is a reason to be liking the stream. If you smash the like button, then you have the chance to win an account. Okay? In the next couple minutes, I want to bring Nick on. We want to have the London Open. We want to get trades in there. We want to win. We need the likes. All right, let's have a check. I'm going to keep refreshing. 322. 103 to go. Chat, it just doesn't add up. It doesn't add up. Oh, like over 500 of you. And we're struggling here. But I will say, the Nictator is here. He's ready to go. He was on time. I told you guys, get the likes up. Seems like another day off. For real, Nick. For real. Oh, he just left. He just straight up just left, chat. I'm not even lying. Nick is not in the back room anymore. Like, he's probably off somewhere, chilling. As he should, because the likes are nowhere near the like goal right now. 425 likes is what I said. I'm not backing down. It is what it is. You guys didn't get there, so Nick is off to sleep. Good. See you, Nick. Have a good sleep. Seriously, chat. Mr. Buggy, are you guys bot or deaf? Didn't you hear? Like the stream. Oh, man. Oh, Nick is also in shorts. Chat, come on. We need to see Nick's trade. We need to see Nick's trade. Nick, I got cooked on shorts before, by the way. If you were watching, I don't know, but absolutely cooked. I got Nicholas Wicklist. But chat, we want to see his trade. Come on. You guys know. He saw it. Yeah, lol. That Nicholas Wicklist bullshit. I got hit by the Nicholas Wicklist. 360. We're getting there. Come on. I'm just going to sit here. Celine, wouldn't it be more efficient to just give the 150k lightning funded to me? Yes and no. Fractal firm. Yes and no. I do believe in the chat. With almost 600 of you here, like I believe we can do it. It's just ridiculous though. 425 likes should not be hard. Oh, Nick, it's going to be another day off for you. Guys, Nick is in a short right now. Nick is in a trade. And I know you guys would much rather be watching that right now than listening to me harp on about the likes. And not the heart. It's a thumbs up button. Yes, Leia. The actual thumbs up hand. Should I just bring you on, Nick? What do you feel like? No. Nick's saying no. You guys have to do the work. That is fair enough. The dictator has spoken. He doesn't come on unless we get 425 likes. He stays locked up. It's sad. He was here on time today, chat. He was ready. He's in a trade. You guys were getting the sauce right now. And sadly, nothing. 50 more likes. Yes, we are so close. 374 likes. We're almost there. Slowly but surely. I'm always here on time. What the fuck? Well, Nick, sometimes you be rocking out 1 minute before the London Open. Let's be real.
That is on time, right?
Yeah, that's on time. Did you hear that, chat? What's the number to reach again, G for Geo? For real? You need me to repeat. 425. 425. Oh, they can't hear you. That's funny. Come on, chat.
Wait, they can hear me, so I can distract you? Hell yeah.
Shut up. No, shut up. Can you guys hear him or no? I would love if they could hear you right now.
That would be
guys,
funny.
Can you hear Nick or no? Please
Roman
say yes.
Roman can change it. I know it.
Damn it. Come on, Roman. Oh, they should. Leia, yes. Well, they can hear you. See what I do with chat? This is what I do with. This is why we need the likes up. Otherwise, Nick is just going to sit here and do stupid bullshit noises. 395.
Come on now. Get me on. What the fuck, chat? What the fuck?
What the hell, chat? Come on.
Oh, wait. Roman is guitar jamming again? What's happening?
Oh, yeah. We got Roman in the background as well. What else do you want? We are here ready to bring Nick on. Roman's got the guitar going. We're ready to kill this session with you guys. But I'm sorry, chat. I can't bring him on unless we get the likes. We're just going to sit here and listen to Roman riffing right now.
Roman is going to play until they bring me on.
It's a waiting room. All right. I'm going to get the intro ready because I do believe we're almost there. We're almost there.
Not yet, though.
Not yet. 108. So close. Come on, guys. Roman's riffing is getting it. It's like, this is the vibe. It's intense now. We are so close. It's getting very serious, Roman. 410 likes. We only need 50 more likes to go. Can you guys do it? So close. So close. Come on, guys. We want to bring the Dictator on. We want to do the giveaway. But can you get to 425 likes? This is... I'm just going to know. Chat. Come on. I swear some of you just enjoy, like, just trolling me like this, just listening to me harp on about likes, because we're like less than 10 away, and there's over 500 of you. Just 10 of you like. Oh, you guys are so painful sometimes. Like, I love you, chat, but sometimes it's pain. I feel very Viking with this music. I love that. Ready for this epic entrance? I know. The entrance is going to be epic with Roman's riffing. Wait, did we get it? Did we get the likes? Hold on. 420. We're close. Yeah, Bushwookie is seriously always like this. Then it gets to 480 in like 2 seconds. Every single time. Okay, 4 likes away. You guys are about to smash the like goal. I've got my intro ready. So that means... Is it time? It's time? Is it time? It's not time yet. Damn it. Roman, they were close, but not close enough. Hold on. All right, you guys smashed it. 425 likes. You finally got there. You took like an extra 20 minutes, but we're there. All right, so it's time, without further ado, that I introduce to you the whitey wearing, hair never moving, GP trading, biohacking, mutual catching, stay with ketchup abusing, soundboard trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water causing, tap burning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango, sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery, stock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, dictator, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart freaking king, damn it, the one and only Nicholas Wickle. Let's bring him on.
Good morning. Finally, chat. Oh, God. 7 minutes too late?
Right?
Like, what? Celine, I think you got to turn down your volume because I can hear myself. But let's dive into it, chat. You know the drill. Put a 1 in the chat if you love the solo hour with Celine. Put a 1 in the chat if you love trading. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready to make money. Put a 1 in the chat if you love your family. Put a 1 in the chat if you love to be alive. Yeah, lots of ones. And do you think I'm the Mario Kart king? Then put a 1 in the chat as well. Thank you.
I stayed out of that one.
Awesome. All right. Let's dive into this. I'm in a short right now from 27.8, 79, 75.
Nice.
So we're chilling. I'm in 1 micro.
Love that.
I'm very much chilling. So you took 1 short, right? Nothing else.
Yes. Oh no, I have been in 2 shorts today. First one played out. It hit my 1R and then I was break even on the rest. And then the second short I took was live on stream, and that one came 2 points within the TP and then completely reversed on me. So
the pain.
You know, the usual.
The pain.
The Nicholas Wiggler, the Max Pain. Oh yeah, nothing else.
But well, we got to give a quick shout out to Mario Kart King, Celine's third favorite. Of course, last Mario Kart tournament, you were the king. Hail, Mario Kart King. I gotta give you that.
Oh yeah, holy wait! I've got to take Mario Kart King out of your freaking.
No, just add former to it.
Former Mario Kart King, all right.
Or you can also add upcoming, because this Friday.
No. We're going with former. It's been done and dusted. Friday we'll see. I mean, I hope Brandon, you can take out the win again. But we have a new Mario Kart champion around here, Nick, so there's no need. You're the former now.
Can't wait for you to join in. That's going to be fun.
Oh, yeah.
That is going to be fun. Kiss says, I'm in Turkey this week and I forgot to bring my Switch. Kiss, how can you forget to bring your Switch?
How? Why was that not at the top of your priorities when you were packing? The Switch.
Shit.
Oh.
Well. Well, you were about to ask me something. What was that?
Yes. How was your day trading yesterday? Because we didn't stream together.
My day trading yesterday was great. Didn't trade anything during New York, but before I did, during that nice little drop, which was actually a big drop.
That was a huge drop. Yes.
Yeah. I bought the lows.
I managed. Oh, nice. Yesterday was yesterday ended up being a good day. I was kind of like, oh, damn, the chat would have loved to be on stream with us right now because I was trading too, but it ends up being lower.
That much movement, honestly. I thought it would be a very, very, very slow day because of the UK bank holiday, but hey, apparently
no.
Yeah.
Candy Cane, Nick Celine, how can I claim a giveaway? You can join the giveaways by entering by the Google form.
Did you win one?
Claim kind of sounds.
I mean, if you did win one, I don't see an email address in your YouTube channel description, so joke's on you.
Yes, Marcos, I will agree with you on that. No longer is more appropriate.
Wait, can you read his name properly, please?
No, that's Marcos.
It is Justice for Hannah. That's what it is.
No longer Mario King. Just got updated there, buddy. Yes. Oh, you want a Masters giveaway on X?
That has nothing to do with the stream. You have to reach out to a Master then. No, that's nothing to do with TTV.
No.
All right, so chat, who's in this long with me? Short, sorry, I'm short. Who is in this short with me?
Well, I'm in nothing at the moment, but I bet chat is in shorts with you. Some of them faded me, some of them held the shorts before, but I would say, guys, if you were already in the shorts before with me and you're still in it, you're probably in a lot of drawdown right now. So
well. Steve says no, I'm long. Damn, fading me. Look at that.
Come on, Steve.
Amir says this is Nick's first short after decades. Hey, Amir, you're not wrong. Usually I only take longs. Usually I only take longs. Not today.
Where are you shorting to, Nick? Good question.
Looking to get 749. So about 130 points.
Nice. Well, if it wants to drop, I will re-enter these shorts. Not right now. I'm not seeing anything for my entries. Nothing for me yet.
Hannah. Amas is part of the Tradeify team, but his giveaway on X has nothing to do with the stream. So I don't know what exactly his giveaway rules were. You have to reach out to him.
Some in shorts with you. Nice. Joshua. Are you new to the stream? Wait, do you? No. Yeah. Nick doesn't have a stop loss on his trades these days. And for whatever reason, which I am still yet to find out, we don't know. But Nick has started to trade without a stop loss and it gives us anxiety. And chat, believe me, I'm still trying to work it out.
No stops.
But it works. It's been working. Gotta give it to him.
Yep. Cameron says can't lose without one. Bingo.
It's true.
Bingo.
Mr. B. Gray says, I like Nick more and more by the day. I'm also a no stop loss trader. So there's more of you out there? More of you psychers?
There's a couple. Think about it. I'm in one micro. I have $4,800 of drawdown. You know what that means, right? You can go up 2,400 points. I'm fine.
That is true. Hey, that makes sense. Are we getting more and more of the logic here? Chad, that actually makes sense what he said. Maybe he's not a gambler.
Maybe. Let's see. I will add into it though, so I will get the position will get bigger. I promise you that. So then
I still don't understand. I don't know. Not even gonna bother.
Well.
But Nick, I did promise a giveaway. So
giveaway? Did I hear the magical words? Chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified, and that would absolutely suck. If you ask me where the form is, you will get disqualified as well. And if you ask me how to participate in this giveaway, you will get hyper, mega, super disqualified. So here's the link. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck, everybody else.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Chantal says, I don't trade with a stop loss either. Look at that.
Whoa, so many of you psychopaths are
out. Coinsbit, all our accounts have end of day trailing. No accounts have intraday.
Also, no one has brought up the grand news. Nobody in the chat. Guys, are you on Instagram, on Twitter? Like, the biggest news just dropped. So we're going to talk about it, chat? Or maybe you guys talked about it in New York stream? Maybe that's why.
No, we haven't talked about it yet. But the Grand Cup is returning, chat. The Grand Cup is returning. And
it's going to be so good.
It's not just going to be a Grand Cup, the same as it was last time. It's going to be a Grand Cup even sicker than last time. Like the concept of it is so fucking sick. We can't tell you anything about that yet. We will this week. We will this week. Can't give you any details yet, but it's going to be even sicker than last time. Okay.
Seriously. The way that it works, like the actual format and everything, like, you guys will love it. Trust us.
Yep.
I'm even like, I can't wait.
100% you will love it. Rahul, can you give us possible dates? Well, it says in the trailer. Let me pull it up for you. Let me pull it up for you because you apparently are not on social media. One second. All right. Here we go. Bada bing, bada bang. Boom. Play it with the music.
But wait, can they hear it with the sound?
They should.
So sick.
Oh, that's tomorrow.
Oh,
that's tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Gonna be fire. Absolute fire.
Get ready, chat. May 6th. It's gonna be sick. Are you participating too? Absolutely, MNQs. We participated the last time, but
MNQ, yes. You might have to just get ready for tomorrow.
No. Yeah, get ready.
Celine knows exactly what I want to say, but I can't say it. So.
Kiz is so hyped I'm shaking, or maybe it's the 2 coffees I've already had this morning. I am just as hyped, Kiz. Trust me, if I'm not shaking on stream, you just can't tell, but I am shaking on the inside.
MQS says, no, guys, I'm going to pee myself. That's all right. No problem.
We get it. It's freaking exciting. The Tradeify anniversary day. Well, 22nd of May, I believe.
Amir says, Nick, have you been news trading? Because you were longing during ceasefire, now shorting since the war started, and also since strategies don't work. Nope. Nobody has guessed. Nobody has guessed it yet. So it's a good idea, but nope. Hey, Leia, by the way, congrats. I saw you won another Lightning funded account. Fire. So you have 2 now. Leia is just a giveaway queen at this point.
She really is.
She just knows how to win giveaways.
She defeats all those like speculations that it's rigged because she won like over 15 last year, she said. Or 15 or something. Crazy.
Also, chat, Today, we're going to have Brett on during the New York Open. Tomorrow, we're going to have Brett on during the New York Open. And Thursday, we're going to have Brett on during the New York Open. So make sure you tune into that. It's going to be sick.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure if Brett's there, then there's going to be a whole bunch of giveaways. So those aren't streams to be missing. I will definitely be there. I'll try to stay awake.
Let's see. What time is this for you? That's like super late.
Oh, it's super late. It's like 11:30. That's the open is 11:30 p.m. Not fun. Leo, where can I buy your course on how to win giveaways? I won 9 giveaways this year so far, she says. That there is definitely something in that.
Pretty good.
When course, Leo. Week sweeper, it's not that Brett doesn't love London, it's that Brett is asleep during these hours. Gotta give the guy some rest.
Yeah, he works enough. Taraksahu, nope, that is not the answer. Farrell Balls. Who's Brett? Is he the one that's AJ's girlfriend? Well, in that relationship, AJ would be the girlfriend, that's for sure.
Yeah, Caustic. 11 p.m. for the East Coast Aussie traders is 9 a.m. It's true.
All right, let's run the giveaway. That is a good point. Oh, Leah, you weren't the first to fill it out this time. Dang.
Disaster.
Roman filled it out. Roman, you want a free account? Oh, funny. Leah. He's like, yes, I want. Leah, you're only 20th today. Dang.
Too slow, Leah.
All right, let's see who wins. Let's see who wins this giveaway. Spinning, spinning, spinning once it loads. Boom. All right. Winner of the first giveaway today is Suriluki. Hey! Suriluki, what are you getting for lunch today?
That is sick.
Fire. You deserve it. You've been here for a long time.
Wait, Suriluki, is that your first win?
I think so. Like his actual name on YouTube, if you go to his channel, is even Suriluki the lunch guy. So that's fucking sick. So Suriluki, it makes sense to spin the pizza wheel for you, right? So let's see what you win. Today, Suriluki, you win.
Oh my gosh, his first account, he said. That's awesome.
You win. Oh, that's good. That's good. You win the big boy account. Look at that. You win a 150k growth account. Congrats. Well deserved. Well deserved. So you know the drill, Suriluki. Add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email. And we're going to be sending you your 150k growth account within the next 7 days. Congrats. Fire.
Love when an OG wins. That's so sick.
Yep.
So you guys, just stick around. Stick around. Your day will come. One of these days.
It's true.
So Suriluki, what's lunch today then?
Yeah, we need to know. Let us in on the secret.
Yeah, what should we be having for lunch?
It has to be pizza. I'm gonna have chicken and sweet potatoes. I heard this morning, but
wait, you're gonna be having that, or are you trolling me?
No, I'm gonna be having that.
That's what I had for lunch.
Really?
I said it to this. I said it to the stream today. I had chicken and sweet potatoes.
That's funny.
Lol.
I didn't hear that.
Oh, there we go. So really, it says chicken with tomato sauce.
Damn, we're all eating chicken today, huh?
And rice. Nice.
We are all eating chicken. Leah says, Nick, I owe you the pizza. When, where, how? Yes, you do. Let's do it on a cardio day. Let me check my calendar really quick. maybe I think. Let me think. Maybe tomorrow.
Do you only allow yourself like one cheat day a month? Is that what it was?
No, one McDonald's day a month.
Oh.
Wait. So Friday, I signed up for my fiance and I signed up for a Hyrox, so now we're training Hyrox once a week.
I saw that. That's fun.
That's gonna be on Friday, but then I don't have time for pizza, so maybe tomorrow.
This is so funny trying to work out when Nick can fit in pizza in his schedule. Just pick any freaking day.
Actually, no, I can't do cardio tomorrow because I had to send in
Leia, he's being picky. Leia, don't listen to him. Just send it to his house.
I sent in my AirPods because they were broken, and I can't do cardio without my AirPods. There's no way. Fuck that.
Oh yeah, there's no way.
Yeah.
But you just bought those AirPods. That's stupid.
Yeah. Yeah, really. Yeah, that's great, Leia. I can't tomorrow either, so. Russell, yes, I only get McDonald's once a month, except sometimes I get it a lot of times a month.
Depends how the trading is going. I was gonna say about the Hyrox, are you doing it together?
Yes,
or individual?
Mixed.
Sick.
It's gonna be fun.
That'll be fun.
And fun meaning we're gonna be dying.
She will obviously carry the birds for you.
Oh yeah, she like the problem is though, when for the runs, the time of the slower person counts. So we're cooked. She's faster.
Damn.
She's faster than me.
Yeah, of course. Oh, she said order Thursday and eat on Friday while you're playing Mario Kart. But that's the Hyrox day, isn't it?
That is the Hyrox day. I can't eat a pizza before Hyrox.
No.
I'm gonna throw up.
No, Leia.
Let me actually see what the workout of Friday is. Let's see. And then you know why I'm gonna be throwing up.
Oh, I'm accused. You're onto something there. One MD a month, one KFC a month, one pizza a month, one Burger King a month, one sub. That's how Nick does it.
All right, let's see. Friday. Go to workout. Ooh. Ew.
What?
Okay, so 75-second workout, 25 seconds rest, 24 rounds.
Ugh, yuck.
Dumbbell curl to shoulder press. 100-meter run sprint. 100 run race pace. 100-meter run sprint. Sandbag lunge walking. Rows race pace. Rows sprint. Kettlebell goblet floor press and kettlebell squat jumps. What the fuck? I'm gonna be dying.
Oh damn! Saturday you're gonna be wrecked.
Yes.
When you wake up.
That is absolutely true.
Pizza Saturday would be good. I feel like.
Pizza Saturday. Yes, that's a good point. That's a very good point.
Aditya makes a good point. 11K more from 100K subs? That's freaking crazy, guys. We are so close to hitting 100K subs on Tradeify TV. We're almost there. It's going to be sick. Leia says I've been trying to find someone to do Hyrox with. Interesting. I
mean you can do solo too.
Yeah, you can. I respect Hyrox athletes. Like, I don't think I could ever do one myself. I would like to try potentially at some stage, but
I've never done one. Ours is in October, so we'll see.
Okay. We'll see. So Friday is just the Hyrox training. Friday's not that.
Yeah. Every Friday we go to training.
Oh. Okay. Well, then you can fit in a pizza. You don't have to go that hard on Friday.
No.
Jimmy, good morning, Jimmy. Please accept my late sleep, he says. We'll let it pass this time, Jimmy. Just because you're an Aussie. I'll let it slide.
My shorts are still on.
Where was your entry at? Hold on. Your screen is too dark. I can't see your freaking candles. Zoom in a little bit. Help us short-sighted people.
Better?
There we go. Much better.
Better?
Better, yeah. Where are you looking to add?
Not here. Probably at like 9:25, 26-ish.
Oh, so if it goes in your favor, you're not going to add. If it drops
never,
more now.
Never. Only add a lot.
Ooh. Chat, we're getting a bit more of the system here.
Do you? I don't know.
Yes. I'm definitely onto it. Like, you don't know, but you're giving me like a lot of hints today. I've been secretly.
Too many, probably. I can shut my mouth.
Celine, what kind of food do you use? Is so random.
Kiss's comment is funny. My shorts are still on. Could you imagine someone who doesn't know trading tuning in right at that moment?
Oh, there are so many times people without like trading knowledge that come onto this stream would probably freak or
That's
run
funny.
away. This reminds me of Nick Sean's strategy. Interesting.
I don't know who that is.
I don't know who that is. Yeah.
The Naked-tator. The Naked-tator. By the way, let's look at new light call. 677. 677. 67.
Sounds good.
You know what? So over the weekend we went with our family to the mountains, right? And then my friggin' 2-year-old niece, we were on the trampoline. There was a trampoline. She looks at me and she goes like, 6'7".
How did 2-year-olds know that though? That is kind of crazy.
That's
how
funny.
She's been on someone's TikTok. 2 years old.
She probably learned from her brother and her sister.
That's cute though.
There's the next one from Kiss. That was a good pump. So my shorts are still on. That was a good pump. I'm long.
There are so many. Yeah, I feel bad for people that commented this stream with no context. It's like, what the hell is this?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm looking for my shorts. I'll say that. Still looking for my shorts.
Well, that's a good one too.
Hey, Pivex, hold on. I got to... Pivex is in the chat. I was asking about him before because he's the guy who said, Celine, you can have a free gelati voucher for the year. Now he says, new Celine flavor made and tasted on Sunday. White chocolate, barley, vanilla, red goji berries, and caramelized figs. That's kind of a lot.
Well, but is Celine getting her free yearly ice cream?
Yeah.
Voucher?
I want to know about the voucher, and I want to know
You need to send her $7,300, so better get to work.
Exactly what he said. And also, we talked about having a flavor called the London Scoop. Where the hell is that?
Yeah, good question.
You take that screenshot, Nick.
Yeah. Always, you know it.
Always.
PPX says, just got my giveaway account. Tradesy isn't bad. No, Tradesy's nice. I like Tradesy.
PPX calling me materialistic. You're the one who shouted me out on stream and said I could have a voucher. Okay. So I don't think I'm that materialistic.
How do you feel, Celine, how do you feel about the fact that You could buy a pink Rolex, but instead you're giving me 10K.
What? I don't know what context we were talking about here, but we were not talking about paddle. We were not talking about any of that.
No, but
So there's no need to go
reminded
there.
me of it because materialistic and then Rolex. I was like, oh yeah, true. She's still gonna owe
materialistic
me
woman.
10K.
Whatever, bro. We don't have to talk about that on stream today. How about we just leave that one?
Wouldn't you just wouldn't you prefer to just get the Rolly and call off the bet?
I can. Poco no las dos. Why not have both? You know what? I'm going to do it all this year. I'm going to have the Rolly. I'm going to smash you in paddle. You know? Why like set the bar so low? Like it's not one or the other, Nick. ¿Por qué no las dos? ¿Por qué no las dos?
Well.
Nothing to say. It's what I thought.
I warned you.
I'm not scared, Nick. I'm not scared at all.
Chat, I warned her multiple times now. Multiple times.
Good. Keep warning me. I should be warning you. Nothing's going to change on my end. I am like, I got the cash ready. Bags are ready.
Why are you lying? Show me the 10K right now.
I'll keep you some of the cash right now, like only a little bit because we could get banned off stream just for showing this much cash.
We're not talking about fucking your paper money gun money.
Bro, I'm just going to show you a little bit of cash and then that's it. And then we can stop this right now. Okay, Roman with the zoom in.
It's just going to be like...
Woo! Money, money, money.
That's not what real money looks like, lady.
You don't know what Australian dollars look like?
I do, and it's not like that. Australian dollars look like Monopoly money. It's kind of funny.
I'm just going to flash it one more time.
Okay. Oh, we're getting the pump. Nice. I want to add a 926-ish. 926 and a quarter. I'm going to have a sell limit there.
Nice. I like that we just swept up previous 15-minute high, so I could be joining you on the short soon as well. Yep.
Please tap me in, Mr. Nasdaq.
So were you skiing this weekend in the mountains?
Skiing? That is over. It is May.
Sorry. Oh, wait. It's not snowboard season anymore out there?
No, that's over. Summer is here.
Wait, so is there no more snow on your mountains?
A little bit, but not like snowboard worthy snow.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
I forgot about that because it's getting cold here in Australia. So it's like the opposite is happening. Now it is ski season over here.
Yeah, because you're down under. Eekmeek says, Nick, get out. Oh my God, yeah, I'm down $55. Let me get out of this trade. Fast. I'm going to blow the account. Close.
Quick.
No, I'm going to add more. Caustic, that's funny. Aussie dollar looks like Monopoly money. It has about the same buying power.
Yeah, it literally does. It's pretty weak in the grand scheme of things. It's not fun having Australian dollar.
I want to play Monopoly again. I haven't played it in a while.
I love playing Monopoly. I also haven't played it in a while. I'm very competitive.
It's on Switch. We should play on Switch, Celine.
What?
Yeah.
You can verse people? You can verse?
Yeah.
No.
It's actually kind of fun.
Okay. I'm down to play that. But again, like, are we going to be able to verse? Like,
get your Switch.
What's the game?
That's a game we can play on the side while streaming.
But like, that takes some like serious focus.
Get your Switch.
Focus for that.
Why do you gotta focus for Monopoly? The hell?
What do you mean? I got to think about what I'm doing at every. Like, are you buying that property? Are you gonna? The point is not to buy.
Get your Switch. Please. It's gonna be fun. I promise.
But like right now, I'm gonna have to set it all up.
Yeah, do it. Come on, it's gonna be fun. If anybody else has it, let me know. I will play.
Let me see. I'm not set up for this. Can we please play Fall Guys?
Yeah, but for Fall Guys, you need to actually be focused, you know? Like for friggin' Monopoly, you don't. You can pause whenever, it doesn't matter.
True.
Bushwookie says, let's play Monopoly for accounts. I mean, we could. If anybody wants to join in, we can do that. That's not an issue. If my friggin' capture device would be working. Let me check something. Let me check something.
Yes, Matthew, I'm down. Guys, chat, Nick, everyone wants to play Fall Guys.
I mean, I said Fall Guys is fun, but it's hard to play while trading, you know?
Well, it's not. You're just being lazy.
Okay, sorry.
The chat want to play. Please, can we start a Fall Guys lobby? Please. Look, I'm right on the game. I'm ready. I don't have Monopoly. I'm going to have to buy it and download it. And we all know that's not going to happen on this stream.
Well.
Because my internet is very slow. All right. All in favor of the Fall Guys lobby.
It's the internet and it's not that we are far apart from each other, huh?
No, it is, Nick.
Look at her.
I'm going to put this in.
That.
If I am trying to verse my friend, I'm putting this into Google right now to end this. In Switzerland from Australia, and we can't connect. Is that because of the distance or bad Wi-Fi? It is highly likely a combination of extreme distance causing high latency lag. Have you never heard of that? High latency lag.
Oh,
It's
I just
true.
got added in the second micro.
Oh. Well, I don't care because I'm proving my point. Stop trying to change the subject. Guys, the reason why Nick and I can't...
He doesn't care. Look at that.
Care. Okay.
That's brutal.
I need to prove this point.
That is brutal.
Data cannot travel faster than light. There's even a physics limit to it. And at that distance, it takes a minimum of roughly 57 to 100 ms just for the signal to travel one way before factoring in routing through servers. Because the data takes so long to go from Australia to Switzerland and back, many games will just time out, assuming the connection is dead and disconnect you automatically. There you go. It's not because you said I had bad Wi-Fi. It's literally the distance between us.
Sounds like an AI answer to me.
You know what, Nick? You didn't know about that, and you can just admit that. You just need to admit that, and I'll shut up. You did not know about latency lag.
Answer to me.
I can't believe you didn't know about latency lag.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Now it doesn't matter, but I just proved you wrong?
No.
You've been saying my internet has been shit this whole time, but it's not about that.
You've been saying that too.
He's like, it's not how it works, Jan. It's not how it works. It is how it freaking works. It's because we're far apart.
My freaking stream thing is not working. Yeah, I know, Rum. I know.
Exactly. Playing COD with my friends in London Sachs. Ping equals 400 ms. Yes. That's exactly right.
I'm trying to set this freaking stream thing up. Doesn't work.
Andrea, no, for real. Andrea says sometimes we really behave like siblings, but...
Oh, we are.
Sometimes I think that... But he's actually not my brother, but sometimes I talk to him like he definitely is.
Sometimes we're not sure.
Sometimes I have to apologize after the stream, like, oh, by the way, that was all jokes. But for real, Andrea, he really tests me.
Does he?
Anyway, looking at a trade Looking at a trade here. Oh, it just didn't invert on the 3-minute. That really sucks.
I'm trying to get this thing to work, but it doesn't work. What is happening? Yeah. Oh, now I'm in profit. Look at that.
I'm going to... Oh, maybe it doesn't want to tap me in. I'm going to have a sell limit here.
Little sell minute.
Little sell minute. That's just based on the 3-minute. Let's see.
Why is this thing not working now? I don't get it. Seems like no monopoly.
Huh. Suffer.
Wow. Suffer. Chat, we still need some likes here. We need 677 likes to do a giveaway. The next one. We're at 566, so 111 more.
Pivek says, you talk too fast in Australia and you use a strange English accent. Well, there's not much I can do about that. I don't think we have a strong... If you hear like a real Australian talk, it doesn't sound anything remotely the same as... yeah, it doesn't sound like an English accent at all if you go like north of Australia.
Speaking of Aussie,
what?
Where the fuck is Pancake Patty?
Where's he been? That's a good point.
I haven't seen him in a very long time.
Patrick.
Roman, let's go back to my screen. I'm still in a trade.
I'm not in a trade. Trying to get into a trade here. Oh, we're closed. What? The
question is, are we going to cook with that trade? That second entry was certainly cooking. Look at that.
Nice.
That's like top tick. 926.
The answer is
top tick.
Damn. The answer is yes. We are always going to cook. Whoa, can you hear those alarms?
Yes. What the fuck's going on? They're coming for you, Celine. Hide, fast, quick.
Quick. I was never here.
That's how you hide?
Oh, that really actually... That hurt.
That looked so funny. That was great.
Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes there's police. Now that makes it sound like I live in a dodgy area.
Yeah. Hide the money, says Shaquille. Hide it.
Oh yeah, they've come for my money, and I gotta hide my gun while I'm at it.
Loads of monies. Oh wait, this whole time I thought Shaquille Net was a girl, but it's actually a dude. Sorry.
Yeah, that one I gotta agree with you.
Charco Killander is his name. Okay.
Oh. I got told off in the beginning of the stream for calling someone Lawrence instead of Laurencia, so I'm interested to know if you know which username that is. Yeah, I know.
Oh God.
I apologized.
Sorry, Shaquille. Sorry. Says dude. Catfish.
Catfish.
True. I did get catfished by this guy.
Bro, come on, NQ. Are you gonna pick up my orders here, or
what is this, McDonald's?
You sound Latina Aussie? What does that sound like? I would love to know.
Is this trade gonna cook? Is it? Let's find out.
Yes, it is. It's gonna cook. It just needs to tap me in, and then it's gonna double cook.
It better be cooking. looking, if it goes higher, I would be adding at 963 and a quarter. Oh. Now, look, now everybody's going to think this looks like a stop. This is a stop. It's going to be good. Now everybody's like, oh, finally he has a stop. And then boom, it's just we're in more.
Oh, for real, NASDAQ? Come and take my order. You little beep.
Hey, our grandpa says he just made his money on that short, so he's going to bed. All right, Gramps. Good night.
Good night, Gramps. It's a bit late for you. What? PPX trades. What the hell?
Jonathan, yeah, you're still guessing it.
Well, we know part of it, Jonathan, for sure. Like.
Do you, though?
Well, yes, because he gave some of it away. You're only ever adding when in drawdown. So if he's in a short, he's only ever going to add when it goes higher than his initial entry. And then we know that he doesn't use a stop loss. It's something potentially to do with the news, Jonathan. That's my guess. But he did say earlier it's not, but I don't believe it. I don't know.
That's a way to figure it out. Just say you don't believe it and then drop your own thing.
Yeah, well,
Smart.
It's true.
Why
so many people are asking about your strategy, Nick. You got to give him the answers.
No, I don't have to do shit.
Yes, Maurice. It's something like position building with high time frame bias is definitely part of it.
No,
sure.
I never go to any charts but the 5-minute charts.
Lies. You're lying. He does it all before he comes on stream. He's lying.
10 lots FX is probably the moon cycles thingy. Shh. Don't let him know.
It's true. I think the moon cycles cooked me on my trade before. There's some serious questions in here. Does it have anything to do with RSI? No comment.
Yeah, no, sorry, I'm reading comments. It says, I'm reading EMA crossover, the RSI thing. He's trading volume. There's so many guesses in here. Imagine everything would be true.
But it doesn't make sense. Like, you have to be lying at some point because we've guessed so many options here, and it's no to all of them.
Well,
like, what are we missing, chat?
I've never said yes or no to anything.
No, so potentially, Chad, that makes it even more confusing. Like, maybe we have guessed it, and he's just sort of smacked it off and laughed it off. So now I'm even more confused.
Maybe,
I feel like I'm going to give up.
Amir says trading how he feels. All right, Amir got it. I'm feeling great every day, so I trade great every day.
What?
Vivek says, from the way he trades, I think Nick is a Virgo with Taurus ascendant. Nah.
Well, yeah, he does DCA. He does CRG, but that doesn't explain it. Like, why is he short right now? Why is there no stop loss? Why is his take profit where it is? Why was his entry where it was? Like, why? Why?
Trades by sense of smell. That's funny. There were some, I gotta say, there were some pretty good guesses in the chat.
Oh, so we were close.
Mm-hmm.
Not close.
No, not close, but some things were pretty smart.
All right, chances of NQ coming back to 897 to tap me in. What are the odds? I would like to know that.
He knows Trump, uncle.
Oh, Goodness Akizi says you're ignoring his comments. Maybe you've guessed it. Hold on, let me see your comment history.
Wait, let me see his comments. I didn't see them.
I'll check your history.
He said it's GP. Wow. Wow. Gotta put some more work into that.
Speaking of putting more work in, 616 likes only on the stream.
Mm-hmm. What the fuck is that?
Gotta put the work in. Over 800 of you here. 677, and we'll do another giveaway.
6-7.
6, 7. 6 freaking 7. Come on, Engu. No. No.
Pushwookie says, like, fucking like. Okay. You're right. Tell him. Tell them.
Oh boy. If this goes to the 1-to-1, I'm gonna just close the order off because I would have been break even at that point.
Were you waiting for a pullback to enter it?
Yeah. Yes. I was.
All right. Undefined games. You got it. Nick
wait.
A magic 8-ball for his entries. Yes.
That is not it. We've never seen such 8-ball. Show us the 8-ball. Show us and I believe it. Oh, this guy, chat. Constantly trolling us. He's using prime numbers to enter his trades. Wait, these guesses are actually... Like, this is starting to make me think, like, are there these sort of strategies that people trade out there? It's funny.
A 9-ball would be awesome. Mr. V, who keeps the dog call on standby? I don't know, man. I don't know.
Yeah, what is that thing for? Why is it on your desk of all places?
I don't know. Why is there a freaking gallon of ketchup on my desk? I don't know.
I don't know. That one.
Have I heard about the Root Sandstorm? Duh, obviously. It's the trading soundtrack. Nothing else comes close.
That's what we should have on in the background.
You know it, right?
Yeah. Good. Wait, let me get the... It's like the high-pitched guitar. Like, can you... Can someone just... Wait, I can't get the tune in my head.
Good. Well, right. Alex says 7+ years into crypto, and trust me, numerology is a thing. Your username is Alex Degen, so I'm not sure if I can trust you. Fractal firm, what the fuck? I don't even know what that means.
Beelzebub? What is that?
I have no idea. Mario Kart King. Nick, are you a millennial? I think I'm Gen Z.
What am I?
Yeah, I'm Gen Z.
I think I'm Gen Z.
But I'm like I'm like the first year of Gen Z.
Just make it. Otherwise, you're...
No, I was a pioneer.
Millennials. What? You started Gen Z?
I did. I came to Earth and was like, yeah, Gen Z it is. And then everybody was like, okay, Gen Z, woo.
Oh, because the Nick Data spoke.
Yeah.
What does it mean to DCA? Beats by Malix? It means to dollar cost average. So Nick, like the way he keeps adding micros in when the trade is going against him is dollar cost averaging.
Mm-hmm. Is that so?
Are we gonna get a trade in here or not?
Johnny Jack says you both are Homo sapiens. Not true. We're Homo sapiens sapiens.
What?
At least I like to think so.
Homo sapiens sapiens? What the hell is that?
Modern humans.
Oh. So I'm not AI. There we go. We proved it.
You are Homo sapiens 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 because that's like super modern, aka AI. Constant.
You got Oh, that's good.
That hasn't happened in a long time where I look at the chat and I just have to laugh out loud. That was great. That was great.
That is good.
Bro.
Come on, that was good.
Bush Wookie says, like that fucking tree! Yeah, do it. Come on now.
It's true. Chat, we want to do a giveaway here. You guys are boring.
Danny says she's AI, not artificial intelligence. What?
What?
Are you dumb?
Agree with the not. She's not artificial intelligence, but what the hell?
Andrea, that was pretty good too. Can we call you Mister? Should I call you Mister?
Oh, I want to say it's so bad, but gotta look it up.
It's there. I can already hear it.
There.
Pivex, Celine looks just like the actress from The Shining. Wait. I have no idea.
What?
What? Wait.
What?
What? Shelley Duvall?
Shelley?
Shelley? Is that you?
Wait, how do I do that face?
I don't know. You don't have teeth like a horse, like she does.
Oh,
It's gonna be hard to do that face.
That's actually so mean. Guys, are you saying I have teeth like a horse?
No, you don't.
I can leave.
I said
not
you
you.
don't.
No, the guy said I look like her and she has teeth like a horse.
Well, the chat thinks you do. So
She low-key does. Bro,
okay, Monkey
what?
Pressing Button says Shelly is like a Temu version of Celine.
Wait,
Pivex
can we
says
go back to that
the
image?
beautiful copy. Look, Pivex is nice.
Bruh.
Did you get tapped into the trade? Asks Black Interval.
Almost.
Wait, are you joining the same trade like me? I might have to get out.
Yes. Why? You don't like my trades?
Nah, I'm kidding. We can
We can ride the shorts.
yes, we can write those shorts.
I'm seriously, yeah, can we change the subject? Because that actress, she looks like a freak in that movie. I need to get something really scary about her. All right. Are we going to get a tap in here? 898.50 is the level. We're very close.
Let's see. I'm still in this. 903 is my average entry. Where's your order at?
98.50.
What?
What?
You said 908.50?
98 point. There we go. I'm tapped.
Yeah.
98.50. 900 now. All right, I'm tapped into that.
Tapped into that.
And now we ride.
Gotta collect some receipts here really quick. 1 second.
I haven't traded a pullback in like that in ages. But I'm basing this off the 3-minute chart. Okay, so a bit different to how I usually trade this. We'll see. Not my A+ setup, but I still like it for downside. If I'm wrong, I'm definitely not taking another setup because that would be my second loss. Got to leave these accounts alone. But I'm just going to put TP1 in there. 870.
Ah, dang it. I hate when I'm about to take a screenshot and then the chat moves.
Oh, yeah, I hate that.
It's the worst. So many screenshots. Drop, lul. Yeah, see, Nick, you're hosting Mario Kart this Friday again? Yes, every Friday. It's Mario Kart Friday now.
Celine, is that the magic wand? Yes. I forgot I had a pen in my hand. This is what makes the market go down. See, it's a red pen. You pull out your red pens when you want shorts, and you just sort of wave it at the charts like this. Abracadabra. Make it go down. Now.
Johnny Jack, am I going to be adding shorts again? Yes, but only if we come up to 963.25. Actually, we're going to be adding 2 up there.
Danny trade Sling gambling today. Look, Celine is not taking her usual A+ setup here, but I am taking this on evals, and I like the reaction based on that 3-minute inversion that we had. And it's a pullback entry, so I based this on a limit order, so waited for price to pull back a little bit, and yeah, not the usual, but I still like it. Okay, still like it. Yeah, Amir Sling, the 4-hour doesn't look bearish. I know you trade 4-hour. I know. I did say that before, that the 4-hour already has its bottom wick. So trading shorts based on this 4-hour is sort of not the day for it. But I'm trading a little bit outside the system now. I will say that. I just like the reaction on the 3 minutes, so I base it off that. But it's not my usual setup. No, guys, don't get that confused. It's not the usual setup.
What is it then?
That's for me to know and you to find out.
Well, Justice for Hannah says, Celine, just say it. I'm copying Nick's trade.
No. Okay, let's go back in price.
Let me show you. No.
Look, I can show you what I'm talking about in price that I liked. This is why I had a sell limit at this order, and the trade didn't go to 1R. So the reason I got tapped in and why I didn't close the trade off is because I still would have been in this trade had I been at market here. So we had, let me go back in time once more. Sweep of the previous 15-minute high here, and then we are also have swept out previous 4-hour high and Asia high, but I was waiting for a stronger reaction on a higher time frame, and the 3-minute looked nice. We did invert. Oh, that's the 1 minute. This is the 3-minute inversion, and then once we had that, I had a sell limit, didn't get tapped in, and then it didn't go as far as the 1-to-1, so that's why I had the limit there ready to get picked up, but potentially could be getting cooked. And that is okay. That is okay.
She's like, that's okay.
That's okay.
Leah says, I'm short on CL, rejection of Asia, IB low, and London, IB high. All right. Godspeed. Godspeed, Leah.
Justice for Hannah. When did this start? What the hell?
I don't know.
Who started this?
It wasn't me. Actually,
zoom out, breathe.
It was not me. Exactly, Quacker. You know it.
Hey, I'm on I'm trading on a 3-minute chart right now. That's pretty zoomed out for me.
Why did you switch to the 3-minute chart?
I wanted a stronger reaction. Like a 1-minute inversion isn't obviously as strong as like a 15-minute, 5-minute. The higher you go with inversions, so it's just like the stronger, more valid they are. So that 3-minute displaced bearish candle at 340, 342. Was nice. I liked that. And it confirmed that I wanted to go short there. I just didn't have a market entry, so I had a limit instead. That's why I'm in this trade.
Mexican dance, that's a good point. I thought you were going to bed, bro. Drops, grandpa. You go to bed right now. Otherwise, you know how it is. Tomorrow you will wake up. You're going to be tired again. Okay? And then we're going to have to freaking push you around in your freaking wheelchair all day long. So go to bed right now, Gramps. Cool?
That's true. You guys got to get up early for Brett. So, you know,
Yep.
You don't want to miss out.
Yep. Only, oh damn, we only need 9 more views. 9 more likes, not views. 9 more likes and we're going to run another giveaway. Oh, baby, get those receipts going. Did Nick say pirate camp? What? Hey, we got 682 likes. Hell yeah. Giveaway coming.
Oh, we did it. Maybe that was a bit too easy today.
Well, we're going to do it a bit later. We're going to do it a bit later. But it's on this stream. Address Ahmad is back in the giveaway form 50,000 times. So Address, you know it. You're banned for life from all giveaways.
Damn. For life?
Yep. Address is banned for life from all giveaways. If you ever catch him winning one, immediately remind me that he's banned for life. Hyper banned. Correct, Maurice. Maurice.
Wait, what was his name? I need to remember.
Ahmed Ahmad or something like that. I don't even know.
Ahmed Ahmad. Done.
Exactly, Adam. Hyper super duper ban. It's actually a hyper super duper mega ban. Hyper giga ban. Yep.
Does someone want to tell NQ to turn around? It's going the wrong way.
Manuel, Nick, how do you report your income as a trader in Switzerland? I don't. No, I'm kidding. I run everything through an LLC. So my income as a private person, like as an individual, is very low. Money goes through my LLC.
No. Oh, no.
What is going to happen?
Wait, I'm zooming in here. Breathe with me, chat. Breathe. Come on.
Oh, Leia, that's a good point. That is a good point.
Look. I'm zoomed out, as in this is the 15-minute candle. Oh, we cooked. We didn't cook.
Oh, Celine's cooked. No bueno.
No bueno. No bueno. All right.
No bueno.
I did that to myself, and it's fine. I know I was playing outside the system, but I still
wait. There's a lesson in this. Why did you play outside your system?
Because I'm on evals and I'm just mucking around. No, but I still liked it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't my usual setup, but I still liked it. I had valid reasons to be in the trade. It's not like I just took a short out of nowhere. Can't say that. But the sell limit was only still on because it didn't go 1-to-1. So technically, if I had marketed, I still would have been in the trade anyway. So that's why it was still valid.
Okay, fair.
It went to like 0.9 R, and I still would have been full risk on that. So straight up, it's a L on those accounts. And we're just gonna leave that there.
That is okay, lady.
Lady still has like 2.6k in drawdown. We can still bring back these accounts.
Hell yeah. Fire.
Amir says because she took an L before revenge trading. No, Amir, I've taken plenty L's, okay? Plenty L's. I'm not married to the bias or anything here either. I honestly I took the trade. I like the trade. There is nothing else. GG's on to the next W. That's it. GG's. And we move on.
Gigas.
Now take the 1 minute IFVG. Lol.
The 1 minute IFVG. That sounds terrible.
China says, where is Potato? Potato is asleep, guys. This is when the potato needs to get his rest.
He needs his beauty sleep.
The Lord needs his rest.
The Lord needs his rest sounds wild.
Can't believe he started calling himself the Lord Sputnik. Like, how did we allow that?
I don't know.
He started off as Sputnik and then eventually.
I mean, how can you argue with a potato? It's like if you win, you're kind of dumb because obviously you win arguing with a potato as a human being.
That's
but if
true.
you lose, you're kind of even dumber because you lost against a potato. So you just accept it.
Ask Spud about their conversations with Becca.
Wait 1 second, Roman. Go to my charts, please. I'm still in the trade. Okay, wait. What did you say?
What Coral Tank? What conversations with Becca? Give us the goss. I'm not there for their hour stream, so I miss out on all the goss.
What happened with Rebecca? What happened? Amir, same reason you can't argue with a chicken. Yeah, correct. Where is chicken, by the way?
He was here.
He was here when I wasn't here? What the hell?
He was, but he's flying back to Zurich today.
Where was he?
Well, he said he was in Thessaloniki. Maybe he wasn't.
Was he? Thessaloniki. Okay.
Yes, exactly that place.
Coral says they talked about the bunkers in Switzerland and like zombie and nuclear apocalypse. Oh, okay. Damn.
Is that what happens in the power hour?
Looks like it. Looks like it. Mexican Dan says second giveaway. Or did I miss the form again? No, I didn't drop it yet. We're going to run a second giveaway, but not right now.
Wait, guys, guess who was at the casino this weekend and walked out profitable? Just saying.
I would like to say not you, but the question is so obvious that it's probably you. So how much did you win?
Oh, a few hundred. Not thousands, but I was playing Baccarat. Okay, I was playing Baccarat. And I like to say that I think I'm definitely a pro now. It's been like, it wasn't my first time. It's been a long time. And I think I've finally moved to that status where it's pro status now. Put me at the table with all the rich people. I will win.
I will steal all their money.
I will steal all their monies. Baccarat. Baccarat. That's why I took the trade, Danny, because I'm up. No, Johnny Jack Sicilian teaches how to play Baccarat. I will charge for that. That course, that's worth a lot. But one day.
We are chilling in this trade.
Roman, what's the next giveaway like count? Damn, Roman, are we doing 3
we already
giveaways?
Hit it. We already hit it. It was 6, 7.
Roman's trying to do 3 giveaways.
Janus Kohit says, wer spricht hier alles Deutsch? Hallo, ich spreche Deutsch, Junge. Aber es ist kein deutscher Stream. Ich spreche mir Englisch.
We speak here alles Deutsch, only English. I understood that. Gotta admit.
Yep.
So Celine made a higher in the casino, now making a low interest. For real, I walked out more profitable on the weekend at the casino than I did today in today's trades.
Uh-oh.
Bam, bam. Maybe I should just go full-time baccarat. What do we think?
Should you really? I'm not sure about that, lady.
Says you.
Correcto. You have a casino edge? Is Danny asking?
On Saturday I did, yes.
What was your edge?
A lot. 100% win rate. Pivex, poker face. No, but I wasn't even playing at the table with people, but I'm ready now. I've always only played the electronic baccarat because I'm scared, but I think I'm at that level now where he put me at the table. I could definitely play.
Celine's poker face be like this.
Not at all. Not at all. My poker face is like this. Wait. It's hard to go on the spot. No, I would definitely wear a hoodie, and this would be my poker face.
Bruh. This is your poker face? Looks like you're a drug dealer.
No, this is how I'm rocking up to the baccarat tables.
I would love to see that. I would love to see that, honestly.
With the Tradeify hoodie?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh boy.
Hacker mode, says Roy. It does give hacker vibes. It's true.
Looks like she wants to steal your wallet.
Well, that's what she's planning to do. Who said she's going to go to the casino to play? She just said she's going to the casino. Maybe she's going to the casino to steal some wallets, you know?
Don't give it away, Nick.
She's playing chess, not checkers.
I said I left... Spot on. I left the casino profitable. All right, that's all I'm saying.
And you said you played baccarat, but you didn't say you made money with baccarat. You just said you played it. And you walked out
onto
profitable.
it.
You got to learn to read between the lines, chat.
He's onto it.
LL says, Nick, why are you so toxic? What? I'm toxic?
Someone's triggered. You triggered somebody.
I can be if you want me to, LL. I actually wore the hoodie for the photo shoot.
Which photo shoot?
Didn't you get headshots done yet?
Yeah. Oh, in your headshots photo shoot. Sick.
Yeah.
I wore the white tee. Yeah. As if you didn't wear your white tee.
I did wear that too. I did it with white tee, white button shirt, and then the hoodie.
Nice. Good, because
don't tell me you only did one outfit.
No, I did 3. I did one with like a blazer. I did like professional, and then I did one with
professional. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. And then I did like white tee, Tradeify tee, and then like I did a white long sleeve, like just looking like semi serious. And then I think I did black tee one. But they better stitch us together wearing the same white tee. That would be good. In the thumbnail.
Maybe finally you're gonna have a shoulder on these.
I hope so. I specifically wore all t-shirts or tops that like covered my shoulders because I was like, maybe it's my shoulders that are the issue here. So we'll see if they get it right this time.
Let's see.
Selena's revenge trading today. She should take a break for today. Never. I'm looking for my next setup right now. Quick.
Okay, take it short.
What should I do? Just short?
Full board.
No, but I for real.
What?
Oh no, 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 no. Oh
Oh
no.
no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Yep.
Maurice knows. Real traders never stop trading, always in a trade.
That's
Maurice,
very true, actually.
That's
Maurice,
very
that's
wise.
more true than you think it is true. Do you all trade gold? I don't really. I am.
From time to time.
Our good friend Claudia does.
Sometimes I will trade gold on here, but very rare.
Yeah. Black Tackle, when is women's trading hour? Every day? Yes, every day during New York times. You can always go, Roman, go to my screen really quick. You can always go to tradeify.co/Tradeify TV, and you will see our entire schedule for London and US. So as
Has
you can
my
see
face
here,
changed?
let's see. Women's trading hour is always at 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. Let's see if Celine's face changed. No, it didn't.
No, it did not.
It is still Miriam.
I mean, I'm not complaining, guys. I would love to have Miriam's beautiful hair, but sad reality is that's not me. Unless,
I mean, I've never seen you with Miriam on stream.
Unless I'm just Miriam's great hair alter ego.
See, she can transform because she's AI. There you go, another proof.
No, I'm kidding. I have a photo with Miriam, thank you. I can prove it right now.
Well, I can make a photo with myself with AI. That's not an issue.
Whatever.
Juan Carrasco says, this guy been sitting in that same trade for an hour. Yes, my friend, yes. I'm chilling. I am chilling in this trade. Where's Celine from?
Celine?
Oh, I can tell you. Celine actually has multiple nationalities and passports. She is Australian, Balinese, Greek, Serbian, Vietnamese, South African, and Chinese, actually. So,
literally,
pretty crazy.
Guys. Oh, guys. I have said it multiple times in here, but we'll say it again. I was born in Melbourne, Australia. I've lived here all my life. Okay, bar that 1 year I lived in Bali and traveled a bit of Southeast Asia, but definitely don't believe the Chinese part because that is the furthest thing.
100% Chinese, actually. Whatever. ASMR trading.
Celine loves China. Celine loves Chinese food. That is true.
China.
I love a good what's it called? Beef and black bean. Beef and black bean. Beef and broccoli with rice. Beef and black bean.
Do you like 1,000-year-old eggs? Do you know those? The black eggs.
No, what the hell is that?
They're fucking disgusting.
Ew, is that a Chinese thing?
I think so. Let's Google it.
Why the hell would I
eat
anything that's 1,000 years old?
Egg, look what it looks like. It's pretty ugly.
Bruh, what the hell is that?
And apparently it tastes even worse than it looks.
Who decided that they would... Wait, how did this even start? Like, what the hell? Who decided it was a good idea to eat something that's
Probably somebody forgot an egg somewhere, and then they ate it.
Just found it.
And they were like, wow, this is awesome.
That's just fucked up.
Pivex says, don't talk like that, I have to pee. Pivex. Lulu says, Negazelini, both should try balut. What is balut?
What the hell? Let's look it up.
All right, let's Google balut.
What the hell?
Ew!
What? No! Is that what I thought it was?
I don't know. I looked really quick and then I had to close it. Let's look again.
No. Ew. No, I can't look at that. No, turn it off.
Brother. Nope.
Oh my gosh. Like
No.
I'm not judging, but I am. If you eat
Yeah,
that,
no, I'm judging. 100% judging. You're a psychopath if you eat that.
I'm
See,
sorry.
that's even worse than trading on a white chart. Not even kidding.
I'm not going into the charts debate, but that's freaking weird.
Roman, my screen, still in trade. Thank you.
He went to the white charts because Roman knows. You try to hit on the white charts, and Roman's gonna bring it up straight away.
Initial Maverick says it got baby in it. It's yummy, bro. What the fuck?
I want to cancel you forever
Oh
based on that.
my god.
Yuck. Wait, some of you actually eat that?
Get out of here if you eat that. And you guys are judging me for putting ketchup on steak. Like, what's your problem?
I don't. I eat normal food. You'll never see me eating balut, whatever. Egg with extra protein? That's crazy.
It's kind of funny though.
No. I am not encouraging any of that. I don't care how much protein you need to hit. There are other forms of protein out there, guys. You don't need to be eating baby chickens or whatever the hell that was.
Oh my fucking god.
I will agree, Nick. Like, ketchup on steak isn't that bad compared to that. You heard it here first.
Tried? Yeah, well, I know. You got to try it anyways. Have you tried prairie oyster? What's that?
What's that?
Consists of a raw egg, this fucking sauce that nobody knows how to pronounce. Vinegar.
Watch the shit. Wait. I tried to say it so confidently and it didn't come out right. Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire
Tradeify sauce.
Tradeify.
Worcestershire sauce.
Black Interval says, has anyone tried water mixed with mayo and Vegemite? So good, bro. What the fuck?
No. You guys
what's wrong with our chat?
I think they're not being for real. Like, no. That's got to be a joke. Water mixed with mayo and Vegemite. So you got one spread. Vegemite is also a spread. Nick, you probably don't know what Vegemite is. It's an Aussie thing. But then mixing that with water, how does that even blend? You're just being freaks at this point. Really? Look in the mirror, guys. Look in the mirror and question that. That is just whack.
Pratish says, chicken tikka masala, chicken biryani. Sorry, my internet cut out.
Where'd you go, Nick?
I should be back now.
Okay.
Am I good?
That's all good. I think Raj joined for a sec.
Who's Raj? Thanks, Roman.
Remember, that was so good.
You got Roman with that one. Nice. Love it. Roman, turn off your mic.
It's coming through to our thing. I was hungry, but now I've like just lost my appetite, and it's 6:30 p.m. here, and I should be getting hungry for dinner, but I don't think I'll be eating dinner now. Thanks, chat. Thanks.
Abu, just for you, my friend. Just for you.
I love when Nick redeemed it. All right, Ayan wants to know, have we tried kazumazu? He's asked this a few times. I'll look it up. I definitely haven't. Well, I'm interested to know what it is. Sardinian sheep milk cheese that contains live fly maggots?
What the fuck? Chill out, guys, now. What the hell? That's disgusting.
Sardinia, Italy. No, there's no way the Italians do that. Italians know better.
Yeah. I hope so. Today's menu made by Bear Grylls.
All right, this chat is getting just ridiculous. Fried kangaroo tail. Oh my gosh, the poor kangaroos.
I'm still in this trade. We're chilling.
Roman, we can switch to Nick's charts also. I'm not in a trade.
Roman just likes to flashbang people with the white charts. He's like, boom! You ever eat snakes or alligator? Get the fuck out of here, man.
Wait, Justice Behind says, Celine, what is the weirdest insect you ate in Bali? Why do you assume I ate insects? I would never. I could never.
What's automatically going to happen at night when you sleep? They just crawl in and shut and stuff.
Ew, no.
Did you know?
Where do you think I was living?
Speaking of that, look, let's Google it. How many spiders do you eat a year? Look, it's.
I don't think it's real. This.
Oh, 0.
I've heard this.
It's in a lifetime. We gotta do that.
It's not real. This is all just fake news. Whoever started this.
Shit, it's a myth. No.
No. Yeah. See, it's fake news.
Almost certainly 0 for most people.
Wow. Yes. I'm actually glad we got that confirmed.
Yeah. Okay. It's a myth. Eel, fried scorpions, and spider. Come on now.
What? Pivx, you're the one with the gelati store. You know flavors. That's just ridiculous.
Arnell, do you try to eat bats? Oh, I ate many bats. That's why I'm Batman. Coral Tank, can we do a marble game instead of spinning? No, because we can only do marbles.
I wish.
New York with Drew. But Drew told me he's setting it up so that Roman can run it too. So in the future, we might.
Yes. I want to be there for the marble race. That sounds cool too. Celine went from a white top to a black hoodie. How much did I miss? Well, you missed a lot. I showed everyone my poker face, and that's why we have the black hoodie going on here. But
yeah,
actually, it's getting a little bit hot now.
I mean, you're in Australia, but it's winter now, so.
It is winter, but it's a bit hot in this room because I have the lights on me and stuff, so it gets a little bit warm, but still.
Do you have LED lights?
Like this light thingy, the key light. The key light makes it warm.
That's not LED?
Yes, it still makes it warm.
How is an LED light warm?
I don't know, Nick. It just is.
Sounds like some latency to me.
Shut up. Anyway, it's 14 degrees. It's actually pretty cold. It's pretty cold. Mexican dance? No, don't get sleepy. Here, Roman, we'll just flash the white charts quickly. We'll wake up Mexican dance. Quick flash of it. There we go. There we go. Good morning. Everyone wake up. We're still streaming for the next 20 minutes, so don't go anywhere. We're going to do a giveaway.
Yeah.
Stay awake.
True. What was this question? I saw a question that I wanted to answer.
How many years have you all been trading for? I'll answer that quickly. This is coming up to my 3rd year in trading.
Oh, there it is. Maurice. So Nick, depending on where the hourly candle closes, will you close your trade? No. Mountain Valley Outdoors. Nick switched the chart to white. I would rather open my window and jump out than changing my screen to white.
That's a bit too far.
Fun fact, I don't even fit through my window because you can't open them because I'm in a high rise.
Well, then that doesn't make sense.
That's correct.
You can't fit through your window?
No, I can't.
I've seen your windows. They're huge.
Yeah, but you can't like in my office, the window, if I open it, like let's say you're looking from a side view, right? It opens like this. And that's it. So my head wouldn't even fit through.
That big head of yours. All that hair.
I knew you were going to say that.
You were saying it. Chad, I had to say it. I was like, come on. Anyway. He put on a platter. That's true, goodness Akizi. We forget when Nick had white charts for over a month last year. Like, he talks a lot of shit, but that guy,
But every single day, it's correct, but every single day I was saying, I fucking hate white charts. I literally only did white charts because when I learned something new from somebody, I just copy exactly what they're doing. And I was learning the fractal model at that time, and T-Trades has white charts with green and black candles, so I did it exactly the same, but I hated it. So I just got to state that too.
It's totally racist, Danny. It's totally racist.
What? Justice says the head probably fits. The hair is what they want.
Yeah, that's more like it. Oh, all right. Probably not going to get another trade in here. Well, actually, no. I am going to stop myself from trading. You know what? I don't like these market conditions, so it's a no from me.
First of all, I love the username Avocado Ninja. That's pretty sick. Fractal Firm says, I'm sorry you didn't like my model name. Bruh. Funny. I'm still in this short. Still in this short. I've been in this. Wait, when did I enter my first position? Let's see. At 2:55. So 5 minutes before I came on stream. And now it is 4:40. So I've been in this for almost 2 hours now.
Jeez. That's too long for me. I could never.
Well, I have a lot of trades that take 8 hours.
You're pretty much like swing trading now.
No.
No. Don't you love how he just talks, chat? He's just... No. When you call me rude.
Well, you did the same before. Lulu says, Nick, Kenny, Ben, Alpha, Kenny, Buddy, together they was talking. Wait, I don't even see them. Who's that?
Who?
Identify yourselves.
I don't see that either. Alpha, Kenny, Buddy. What? Lewis is gotcha, but I don't get it. Alpha, Kenny, Buddy.
Alpha, Kenny, Buddy. Oh. No!
Oh my god.
Fuck, you got me. No!
Wait, that was actually so... That even got me, bro. What the...
No! I thought Lulu would never get me.
Lulu! It's the way you said it as well. It's so clear that what he said. Guys, if anyone missed that, just go back. I'm so glad that was not me, because I was about to. As soon as you said it, I clicked. Oh my god. You got him, Lulu. Add that to the list.
Oh, well done, Lulu.
Oh,
I gotta give you that. Bad. Oh my god, that was fantastic, Lulu. You did. You got Spotty 2 times, and you got me now. Actually, you got Spotty 3 times, I think.
3? Oh my god.
Fuck.
No, but the way we were like sitting there trying to find the username, I was scrolling. I was like, who's Alpha? Jeez. Damn it, Lulu. I'm glad.
Lulu,
I don't think I said it out loud.
Lulu is the king of baiting people on stream. That was fantastic. Oh my god.
I love that. I can add it to your intro now. You got baited.
Yeah, you can add that. Well, you did too, to be fair.
Yeah, but I don't think I said it as clear as you.
Well, you did.
Mr. Briga saying did I say that loud? Oh,
yeah, you did too. We got both baited. It was great.
Damn it.
Oh my god.
Damn it, Lulu. Especially like this late into the stream. Like it's almost been 3 hours of streaming, and you know my brain is not at its peak right now, so that's not fair.
Oh my god, I gotta take a quick break here.
We might have to end the stream right here, guys. That was a lot.
Lulu. You dirty little dog.
I'm back.
Oh, God's getting quicker with the transitions there. Lily needs to get Merriman and Rebecca. So you've successfully baited everyone else on stream? That's incredible.
Yeah. That was funny. That's funny. Lulu, if I were you, I would change my username to Lulu Bait King or something.
Yeah.
Ooh,
for real.
nice. Nice pop. Oh, it already dropped. Boo. I wanted to add more. I wanted to add more.
That was too funny. Guys,
Johnny
can you
Shack,
try, Lily,
yeah.
can you please try that with Spudnik today?
Oh, yes,
bet
please. Sputnik is so going to fall for that one.
Yeah, that if we
I'm
fell
not
for it,
gonna tell him.
100%.
I'm not going to tell him.
No, don't.
Do it.
That's going to be hilarious. And do it the same way how you baited us, like that they need
Yeah.
to be banned, and then 100% he'll
It
be
was
looking
too
for the
good. It was too good.
Oh my gosh. Yes, it is giveaway time almost. Mercy on me.
Yeah, we can do it. You know what's funny? Many people in the chat didn't even get the joke, which makes it even funnier. But let's get the party started, the giveaway party. All you got to do if you want to participate in this giveaway is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well. And if you ask me how to join this giveaway, you will get disqualified as well. So here's the link. Good luck.
Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody.
Let's see. There's quite a few people watching. It's going to be a big giveaway. I mean, Lulu, I'm going to second guess every time you write something in the chat now. I hope you know that. You've done that to yourself. I'm going to have to read it like 10 times in my head whenever Lulu comments.
Same. I wouldn't have thought Lulu would get me one day, but there we go.
Neither.
That was too good.
Hold
Shout out
on.
to Clee at that point.
Yeah, good old Clee. I can't believe he's like Spud has been baited 3 times though. Like the first time was bad. The second time was bad too, but I don't know what the third
Funniest
one.
of all, though.
The third?
No, the first one.
The first.
Yeah.
That was so good. Happy birthday.
Now, the first one was the other one. The choose.
No, wasn't the happy birthday one the first one?
No, the first one was the choose.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's see who wins this giveaway. Join. You have about three more minutes to fill it out. Ivan, am I still trading GP? Yes, but this trade isn't based on a GP.
One moment, please. It's a little bit too hot in the Tradeify TV hoodies. Just saying, if you're in a cold place, yes, these hoodies work. But right now, it is a little bit too warm in here. I'll be back.
Too hot. All right. No. Trading Market says, I will donate if I win. Okay, wait, you will donate the account or you donate money? What's your donation? The free account, all right. Oh, the AI is back.
Hi.
All right, Trading Markets, if you win and you donate it, I'll double it.
Ooh. Interesting. Oh, Pivex.
Well, it's
not a
actually a black
shadow.
eye. Pivex. It's a black eye. She got punched by Hannah.
I didn't want to talk about it on stream, but we did have a fight.
Yeah.
I'm like a bit embarrassed actually because, you know, it's not good to fight with your siblings. But she really beat me up. When I say I'm under a dictatorship, I really am. Help.
Music Overseer says, do you guys go back to sleep after the stream? No. After the stream is 11 a.m. my time.
After the stream, it is dinner time for me. Like, I'm starving by this time. It's 7 p.m. for me. That's like, I need to eat.
I need to eat.
Judith Joe, she is buffer than me. She is a PT, so I'm also embarrassed of that. She is my younger sister.
Funny.
Consolidation has entered the chat. For real? What is this price action today? Yuck.
I've officially been in this for 1 hour and 55 minutes now.
Be prepared to be in this like a long time, I feel like.
I'm fine. I can be in this until the end of the day. I don't care.
To the end of time. I think
until the end of the day, because then I got to close it because it's a funded account.
Oh, he trades his strategy on fundeds too, chat. There you go.
Yeah, of course. Need proof? Here. Boom. Funded.
No, I believe you. I've seen it many times now. I believe you.
Funded.
What does that mean? If you look like that, I can only imagine what Hannah looks like, lol.
Is that a good or a bad comment?
I don't know. Ursula said it. Ursula, what are you trying to say?
Well, Ursula, I can confirm Hannah and Celine look alike.
Yes.
I built them both.
But I have the black eye.
Yeah. And she has the bloody fist. Because she punched her. If you spend 8 hours in a trade and it loses, how do you do with the psychology music overseer? Oh, it won't lose.
It will never lose. There's no stop loss, guys. You don't get it. But I could never, on a personal note, like music overseer, I could never be in an 8-hour trade because I know my psychology would not be able to handle being in a trade that loses after a full 8 hours. Like, I could never. So I just get in and out of my trades as quick as I can.
The Afghan trader says, Nick, I'm trusting you and have the same trade. My friend, take your own trades. Don't copy what you see.
Oh no, he said he's got no stop loss. What is going on? Chat, do not listen to this gambler. Trade with a stop
what
loss.
is this, sales training here or what?
Sales 101 with Russell. What the hell?
What the hell?
Hannah widowed? The hell?
Damn.
You guys are weird. Hannah is young. Too young.
All right. Let's see. Let's run the giveaway, shall we?
Let's do it.
Copy everybody. Leia again? Rank number 9, not first. Leia.
Yeah, slacking.
Leia. Can't do that. Just scrolling through all the names to see if somebody put some stupid shit in there.
Oh yeah, anyone else we have to like forever ban?
Nope. Not for now.
Okay.
You mean hyper mega giga ban?
Yeah, that one.
All right. Let's see. She says I had the kid in my arms. It's a legit excuse. Okay, fair. Your kid could have filled it out though. All right, let's spin. Second winner of today is gonna be Yay! Q5B. Yay! Q5B. You just won something. You don't know what yet, but type something in the chat.
I'm sure that's exactly how he says his name.
Yeah. Yay! Come on, Q5B, where you at? Hey, there he is. Says, no way. Yes way. Now let's see what you win. Growth or select or lightning funded. Spinning, 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 spinning. Yay! You win. Hey, ooh, that's pretty good.
Oh,
On a select account. Ooh, okay.
nice.
Okay, pretty big, pretty
That's
big.
a good win.
Congrats, fire. Now, all you gotta do, yay, is you have to, but actually if you go to his, look, that's funny. If you go to his YouTube channel, his name is actually Yay!
Yay.
But all you have to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. And then once that's in there, we're gonna be reaching out to you within the next 7 days to send you your free 100K select account. Congrats. Fire, fire, fire.
Fire. And guys, to anyone who missed an account or missed out on the giveaway today, we have 40% off right now. If you use code May, yes, you just have to use code May and you will get 40% off. So make sure you're running and grabbing those accounts while they're on this much of this.
Very true. No, 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 no. Wait. Gonna reset the form here for the next one. Wait, there was a Simba in the form? Simba the Lion King. Nice. Nice. I only know Pumbaa. She streams with me.
And on that note, I think I'll be heading off, chat, just a few minutes early today.
Nah. Sophie says code May. No, code Yay. No, I'm kidding. It's code May, yeah.
Yes. Kurt says good morning. Kurt, you're like 3 hours late, my friend. You might have to rewind a little bit.
Yeah. Coral Tank, what time will Brett join for the New York Open? Yeah, for the New York Open. So like 9:30 EST.
Coin Puppy. Hey Nick, I want to give away like 2 weeks ago. No email yet. We'll have to send a message to the team.
I'm checking on Nelly Daniels right now really quick. Nelly, I just forwarded your message to our team and Coin Puppy. Let's see. Where did you win that giveaway, Coin Puppy? On what stream? Coin Puppy.
Have you got something to cross-check it with? I have nothing.
Let's see. I just forwarded both of your guys' messages.
Okay, nice.
We should be fine.
It was on when Miriam was on the stream. Okay, we will yeah, Nick's message at team, so those accounts should be with you soon. Very soon.
Yep. We're giving away too many accounts. It's like hard to keep track of everything.
It's true. We do that much streaming where it's like an 8-hour New York session stream and then 3 hours London session. So in all that time, pretty much all day, there are accounts going left, right, and center here on Tradeify TV. So you've got to give us a little bit of time.
Yeah. With that being said, keyword time. It is time to unfortunately say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Put a big fat W in the chat if you love this stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it. Of course, we're going to be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time with another New York session stream. And as I told you guys, at around 9:30 a.m., we're going to have Brett, or probably 9:15 a.m. We're going to have Brett join in. So that's going to be fun. Make sure to tune in because he's going to talk about the Grand Cup probably. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. He's going to be there today, tomorrow, and Thursday, so it's gonna be sick. And yeah, with that being said, Celine, any motivational word for the chat?
Yes, motivational words is always trade with stop loss. Looking at you, Nick.
Yeah. Very important.
But other than that, guys, was a red day on the session for me today after those 3 trades. But I am not desperate to get back into these charts. I'm only going to trade my system if it does present. If not, I'm staying well away. And that's how it should be. You win some and you lose some. And then there is always a next trading session. And I will be back with you guys tomorrow to hopefully bag a nice win. So until then, yes, tune into the New York stream. Brett will be there and get ready for the Grand Cup. I'm so pumped. So pumped for this week's announcement. All right. But catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
And shout out to Lulu. You got me. Peace out.
Shout out to Lulu.